आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, अच्छा सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई तो क्या, जिंदगी है जिंदगी है जिंदगी।
ऑप्शन 1 इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी, ऑप्शन बी राम लखन, ऑप्शन सी खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी एंड ऑप्शन डी हेरा फेरी। This whole plot line of like a woman get kidnapped or murdered and the hero taking revenge on her behalf, that is the concept of a fridged woman. It is a fridged woman. Yeah, do you know about this
like
concept?
No. Fridge, refrigerator.
I love the intention, but execution.
Yeah, the intention was to launch to Star Kids.
यार मैं तुझे फॉलो कर रही थी। ये अपने आप को फ्लेक्स करनी ही आई है। She's plugging in. I have a podcast. I have stand-up.
Listen. I gotta be my own promoter.
She's a Taylor Swift of Kalyan, guys. अब कर रही है कॉल श्रीजा, उठाऊं?
It is.
Yeah, it was phone a friend round. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to another episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood knowledge and acumen you find out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining us on the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They are both writers. They are both content creators. First up, we have Urjita Wari.
Are you ready to eat shit? Yeah. My introduction is your trash talk. Yeah.
Wow, that's Urjita trash talking very convincingly. She's clearly done this every day of her life. Also joining us is Devanshi Shah.
Woo! Urjita, I can beat you.
Great guys, I love
Very
the banter.
ये जो Severus Snape वाला attitude लेके आप आई हो.
This eat shit and all. I mean, let's face it.
Face what?
Face the truth that I'm better.
अच्छा, okay. अभी 5 मिनट पहले ये गिड़गिड़ा रही है मेरे सामने.
Please Urjita,
मुझे बोल
I know you will
man.
win.
मालिक
Please go easy on me.
कठिन सवालों का जवाब देके मुझे शर्मिंदा मत कर देना.
This is an unfair
Let it
game.
be a tie.
One
Let
second.
it be a close win.
Second.
That's what she is telling
Can
me.
we just address the fact that she has her own Bollywood podcast?
She does. That she does. Yeah.
And I'm competing with one of the people who watch a lot of Bollywood.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Please check out Urjita's podcast.
Has it aged
well on the
Yeah, so
IVM
अब मैं
Pop
जीत
channel.
सकती हूँ ना, तेरा plug in कर दिया मैंने फालतू में.
So, but see, I know that Urjita has a podcast, right? So I kept that in mind. So I tried to stay away from the films that she has covered or she would know.
Wow.
You know, just at least mota at least.
So what are you covering then? Avatar.
Harry Potter. It's a Hollywood movie now.
Harry
guys.
Potter.
It's a Hollywood game
Yeah.
show.
Hollywood.
Actually, Avatar we have covered. I just remember.
They have-
But-
You
It's called
watched Avatar?
So Abbas has covered. I wasn't there for the episode.
Oh,
That was-
okay.
Because she was like Hollywood. Yuck.
Yeah,
James Cameron. You.
It has not aged well.
All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the show.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing this. On very last minute,
Yes.
I literally had to book you guys very late last
Yeah.
night. And I called Devanshi and so basically what happened, right? Firstly, we have two people in the audience.
Yes.
This is very cool, very nice.
Hey.
We were actually supposed to have four. Two
happened to the
people
other
just
two?
did not show up.
Okay. No
So
worries.
what happened was, I had listed this show, okay, and like put question marks on the guests' faces, okay, or guests to be announced, trying to see how this show, does. If
Sells.
is there like an interest to come to the show regardless of who the guests
Yeah.
are, right? And 4 people bought tickets. And that happened yesterday at like 9 p.m. That I realized 4 people bought tickets. I'm like, oh fuck! Now I have to do this show. And so like I'm in a panic, like trying to figure out who I can call on the show. And thank you so much, guys, for doing this. Again, touch wood that you guys could make it.
Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah.
The two
Yeah.
audience members. हम आपको अपने समधी जी की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे.
हम सब बेरोजगार है, guys. That's the culmination of this.
What's the most recent Hindi Bollywood film that you've seen, or actually any film that you've seen?
Maharaj.
Oh,
You saw that?
Yeah, I saw Maharaj on.
Oh,
this is the
God.
one with
Netflix.
Amir Khan's son.
Yeah.
Is it
Oh,
good?
okay.
It is decent.
It's bad.
No, it's not bad. It's actually okay. It's not.
It looked terrible.
It is.
But I understand.
It
You know,
is
when someone
good.
says decent, I assume
Yeah.
that movie is bad, but they don't want to say it.
No,
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
Okay, I think
Yeah.
it's good in small caps lock.
What do you mean?
Okay, that's
Oh
very
God,
specific.
come on. Just say it's bad in
No,
big caps lock.
Junaid was really good. Junaid
The-
was
the-
really
the-
lead,
the son.
the son of
The
Amir
son.
Khan.
Son of-
Yeah. You know
Okay.
my new bestie Imran Khan, his nephew. Yeah.
Okay,
I
sure.
did a podcast
Yeah,
with
correct.
Imran Khan. Check that.
Oh, how
check it out.
is wait, why? He'll be his cousin, no? Imran is already Amir's nephew.
Oh, yeah,
Come on, get your best friend facts right, Munzida. What is this?
Oh,
Imran
God.
is never coming on your show again.
Sorry.
Imran, I'm free, by the way.
I haven't
know
made any
all your
mistakes with your
family
family tree.
Imran, she's free, but Junaid, I am freer. You can come anytime.
Freer and also committed. What are you
Yeah.
talking about, man?
On my show, Baba.
only
On my show.
professional favors.
Only
here.
professional flavors.
Okay, fair enough. So you saw Maharaj. You thought it was good.
Basically, I was just saying that YRF does this shady thing where they just decide to not promote some of their films.
Arey, but they put the
Yeah.
shit that they're not going to put on theatrical release on Netflix.
Yeah.
And then they treat it like an aborted baby only.
Yeah,
कि
like
अब
abhi,
तुम
so
जाओ.
Maharaj maybe like Junaid, all the actors were trying their level best. By also featuring Sharvari Wagh, who
Oh, yeah.
was also very good, I felt.
Yeah.
But that film also, like you see, I'm trying so hard to like the film, but their set pieces, ऐसा लग रहा था कि अबे यार ये गुजराती play देख रही हूँ.
Did you guys watch Munja? That's another talking
Munja,
about Shalvari.
yeah, I watched.
What do you think of Munja?
Okay.
Yeah, agreed, dude. I
Okay,
don't know.
very
See,
okay.
it earned a lot, and people are like, some people are going gaga over it. I'm not gaga. जैसी तो नहीं है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
they could have done a lot with the film. I
Yeah,
think.
dude.
Because the concept was very good. Like that's what I also felt about Bhedia, Munja.
Bhedia was great.
No,
I really
Bhedia
liked
you liked?
Bhedia.
I hated Bhedia.
What? I liked Bhedia.
Dude, so have you guys seen Bhedia?
I like Bhedia.
You liked
There
it?
you
These-
go. Good,
These
good one,
morons.
No, I'll tell you why.
Okay,
I
okay.
liked it.
I'll tell you why I didn't
had-
like it, but go ahead.
I had no expectations from Bhedia.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
I had gone to trash the film, but it was really like they did creature film decently well.
Why did she have to die at the end? There was no reason. She can heal. She's been healing the entire film.
I don't remember the
Okay,
movie that much.
and
Why
then
did
they
she
go
die
on the
in
top of this hill and all, and then she fucking dies. Okay, spoiler alert for anyone who hasn't seen Bhedia, I guess.
बड़ा
But,
बड़ा
yeah.
बाद में
No,
दिया.
she doesn't die in the end. They both like become a couple. No, she doesn't die in the end.
She dies in the end. Okay, we'll check.
We
We'll
don't
check
know.
this
We will
out
check
again.
and come back.
Yes.
I
She
feel
dies
like
in the
they
end.
became a
तुम
couple.
दोनों loser बस मैं और
No,
प्रतीक
maybe
जीते.
she got
तुम
hurt.
दोनों
She
loser.
gets hurt or
Pratik, you
something.
tell us
She
what
hurts
happens
and then
in
she
the end.
dies.
Oh.
Also not able to.
Fucking
Yeah.
hell.
Nobody
What is up with
nobody
I
remembers
remember
this.
that after credit scene
Yeah,
with Rajkumar
you guys clearly
Rao.
liked it a lot, guys.
But it was a
Nobody
good
remembers
movie.
the
Like it made me. It was very funny.
It wasn't very funny.
it
yaar.
was funny.
Like coming from Stree, this is not even can't
Oh,
compare
yeah,
at
yeah.
all,
I
man.
didn't think of
Three
that.
was so funny. Like I was rewatching it recently.
Three was
Yeah.
very funny.
Have you guys watched Three?
Of course,
You
that
have
yeah,
watched-
for
It's
sure.
too
Dude,
good.
Stree में there is this one scene where Pankaj Tripathi says, "अरे आप भी Mission Impossible की तरह उसको ढूंढने निकलोगे क्या?" And they say no and all. Next scene, you hear Mission Impossible का theme in Indian vocals.
Oh, wow.
Vocals
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Indianized
Tan,
version
tan,
of
tan,
yeah, and they're
tan,
looking
tan.
for her. And
Yeah, जैसे Bridgerton में करते हैं ना
there are
वैसे,
so many
yeah.
Easter eggs in the film,
It's
and
so
I
many.
was laughing so hard
Yeah,
at that.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
that वो बोलते अरे Mission Impossible की तरह ढूंढोगे क्या? And
Yeah.
then cut to Mission
Yeah.
Impossible.
So
theme.
I think what is gonna happen with that universe, no, is that we are just gonna get.
More and more
it's gonna
versions.
become one of those run of the mill kind of movies के हर साल में एक दो तीन बन रही हैं उसी
Yeah.
franchise में. Nobody
Three,
cares
two तो
what's
आ ही
happening.
रही है वैसे भी.
That's the
I'm
only one
excited, yeah.
I
I'm
hope
excited,
because it's
yeah.
I think it's Amar Kaushik again directing it.
yeah,
Yeah.
That's the only one I hope is
Yeah.
actually good.
Also,
you know?
Shraddha, a big shout out to Shraddha Kapoor's cameo in that Thumkeshwari song from Bhedia.
Oh, I
Sure,
hate that
sure,
song.
sure.
The song, dude, Shraddha Kapoor, man, I don't remember feeling like my jaw dropped when I saw her in.
You mean
in
like
the-
you
in
were
the
surprised or she's just that
surprise
gorgeous?
element,
Okay.
no, and she was very gorgeous and
Yeah.
also like her screen.
I mean, Tu
presence
Jhutti
was-
Ho Main Makkar is like the most gorgeous movie that Shraddha Kapoor has
But
ever
her
done.
screen presence, dude,
That's true,
I
fair, fair,
completely forgot Kriti Sanon वो गाने की lead है.
movie की lead है.
मुझे वो गाने में बस श्रद्धा ही दिख रही थी and I don't remember the last time somebody had my attention like this.
Sure, fair
So
enough. fair enough.
big shout out to her.
To Shraddha Kapoor, please come on Has It Aged Well and this show. Why not? Why
Or
not?
come to my birthday party. Anything works.
Your birthday's coming up?
Yeah, but एक साल है but कभी
Okay.
It's always
Please come.
coming up. Birthdays
Hey,
are
hey,
always
also you
coming
can
up.
become friends
आप
also.
आ रहे हो तो कल मना लेंगे उसमें क्या है
You guys are fighting to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Begum.
Oh.
Okay? What this
Nice.
title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
Okay.
Say you are at a film fair event. Okay, just you don't know, anything can happen. Life takes
Yeah,
crazy
for
turns.
sure.
Yeah, and you're talking to Amitabh Bachchan, Ashwathama ji, right?
Yeah.
And Prabhas is also there.
Ashwathama
Yeah, Prabhas is also there, and Deepika Padukone. The cast of Kalki has shown up, and you are in discussion with these people. And Prabhas is of the opinion that, hey, Amitabh Bachchan, you knocked it out of the park in Kalki Man. You are the greatest actor that Bollywood has ever seen. But you guys are the biggest Bollywood begums and not that stupid fucking
Yeah.
Prabhas, dude.
Yeah.
So you can say, hey, I think Deepika Padukone is the greatest actor that Bollywood has ever seen, and nowhere near is Amitabh Bachchan to her.
Yeah.
Okay, and you would be right in saying that because you are the biggest Bollywood begums and not Amitabh or Prabhas.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, and we will never get to write a film for Prabhas or Amitabh after.
oh, you actually had that hope. I like your ambition here.
I was like, maybe in this situation I'll get some work.
देखिए मैं कोई लेखक नहीं हूँ पर मेरे अरमान हो सकते
हो
हैं
सकते हैं यार.
Cool. And the audience gets to play along.
Yeah.
So some of these rounds, some of these games, the audience will get to play along from the get-go. Some of them they will get to play along from after the hints wala round. So basically, the first round, if you guys don't get it, then there's a hint. If after the hint also you guys don't get it, and the audience gets, then the audience gets to play again. So the audience in the end gets to answer lesser questions, but sometimes they have still beat one of the contestants. So that can absolutely happen. And whenever the audience gets like a few answers right, I give them like a few, you know.
ऐसे अरे फेंकना क्यों
You
है
get it. You get it. It's all good.
Oh wow.
It doesn't hurt. It's melodies. Melodies don't hurt.
Back.
Melodies don't hurt. It's
This
all
is
good.
a birthday party cum talk show.
You get it.
Where
You
you
get it.
get
It's all good.
chocolates and gifts.
ये वो बेबी शार होता है ना वो वाला फील्स आ रहा है
Flute for a second, I thought he was going to give us that speaker, and I was like,
Wow.
"Whoa, that's
Getting a
going to be
speaker,
fun."
bro.
And then he got the. I was like, "Okay,
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
पोस्टर भी अच्छा है
yeah, not bad, not bad."
Not bad. Okay, cool. I guess 5 points for Ruzita already. Just
Hey,
note that down.
oh, come on.
It's all good. It's all good. Okay, cool. Let's go.
Yes.
We're gonna start with the games. The first game we're gonna be playing is called Bollywood in Jeopardy. How this game works is I'm gonna read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You guys have to buzz in with a sound that you make with your mouth each time. So that's your mouth is your buzzer, and whoever buzzes in first gets to go first and tell me the answer. But you have to say the answer in the form of a question. If you don't ask it as a question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal, even though you might have been right. Okay? So keep that in mind.
So you're going to read a description, and we're going to guess the movie in
That's
the form
basically
of a
it.
question.
Yeah, but you have to buzz in. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first.
Zzz is my buzz.
That's your buzzer. What's your buzzer?
Zzz.
You can also change it at any point if you want, but take it.
Woohoo, okay.
This works for now. All right, let's go. Fucking yeah, hype. Let's go, guys.
Woo,
Let's go.
woo, okay,
Let's
okay,
go.
let's go.
Fuck yeah. The first game is, as I said, Bollywood in Jeopardy. The first question of the first game is as follows. Keep your buzzers at the ready.
Yeah.
When he loses his job, a chef decides to spend time with his son, who lives with his ex-wife. While doing so, she suggests a business idea, which he then begins to pursue.
Hey,
Yes, Urjita.
chef?
You did not ask us a
Yes.
question.
No,
You did not ask us a question. They asked you.
Zzz, is it the chef?
It is absolutely chef.
She said
The chef, but
wrong.
I'll give her that.
Is it
It's the
chef?
same. That's the same. The chef or chef. You get it. It's the same film.
Excuse
Uh,
me. You,
that's 5
you
points for
denied
Devanshi.
the one
So
rule
it'll
of
be-
this game.
So it'll be 050 in that line. 050. Right? Okay. And then so just keep going down as it goes. All right. Thank you so much. Let's go. That was cool. Keep that in
Yeah.
mind. People get excited and forget to ask another question.
फर्स्ट वन ट्रायल क्वेश्चन है ना तो कट करो ट्रायल
Okay.
क्वेश्चन
Sure.
कुछ भी ट्रायल नहीं होता है.
ये इस
No, you can't.
No, you
can't.
all are
You-
not involved.
Absolutely not. Till I ask you guys for the answer, please don't say. You can discuss amongst each other as you want.
Once we fail, your turn comes, है ना?
Yeah,
ऐसा
correct. That's exactly
yeah.
right. Right. Movie number 2. Keep your buzzers at the ready. A disturbed serial killer constantly evades the law. However, when he finds a soulmate in the investigating officer of his case, he tries to convince him of how similar they are. Anything, guys? Come on. No, wait. Wait.
Oh fuck.
Nothing. A disturbed serial killer
It's a
constantly
movie, right?
evades the law. However, when he finds a soulmate in the investigating officer of his case, he tries to convince him of how similar they are. The audience has gotten it.
I know this movie,
Okay, you can buzz in.
but I don't know the name.
Okay,
I'm thinking
that's
of the
not
name. It
helpful.
has come to me.
Okay. Just keep thinking out loud.
Okay, wait.
Buzz in. Yes.
Is this equivalent?
No, it is
No,
not
it's not
equivalent.
equivalent.
It is not equivalent.
It has Hrithik Roshan in it.
I don't want to help you.
Okay, I know it has Hrithik Roshan in it. I remember the scene where this happens. It's also a remake.
Okay, quickly. You can't take that long.
Shit,
also, guys.
man, I can't remember.
Okay.
I just can't remember the name.
Okay, the film, you're wrong, does not have Hrithik Roshan in it.
Are you
also.
sure?
It does not.
Oh.
Okay.
Do we get a hint?
Yes, you do get a hint.
Yeah, so then.
This is directed. So now, after this, if you guys don't even get it after the hint, then the audience gets to play.
Okay.
But the hint is this movie is directed by Anurag Kashyap. Yes.
Is this Raman Raghav?
Yes. it's
Yeah.
Very cool. You had that?
Yeah.
You had that? Yes, cool. Very cool.
Oh,
very
wait,
cool.
what is that movie where Hrithik Roshan and.
Fiza?
No, this is a very recent
Kabil,
film.
Kabil.
Not Kabil.
Oh, Vikram Vedha.
No. Yeah, Vikram Vedha.
Vikram Vedha.
Vikram
Vikram-
Vedha also has this only. There is a scene where he tells him
नहीं,
that
but
we are
उसमें-
very similar.
But he doesn't think that the cop is his soulmate.
Yeah.
Oh no, not.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, in some kind of concept,
I mean,
he
yeah,
does.
sure. Yeah, but he's also not maybe a serial killer. He's more like a gangster.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. Yeah.
But anyway, it's all good. Yeah, Arpindas, chalo, theek hai, that was done. That is, Urjita gets 2.5, not 5, because it was after the hint. So 2.5. Okay, so please. 2.0.
Oh, by the way.
But ठीक है, I gave her the chef.
The
I
Chef,
can give her
2.0,
2.0.
ठीक
Also,
है.
there's no 1.0. तो ठीक है, वही हो गया ना arrow. ठीक है.
Yes.
I like how the audience is more stickler for the rules than I am.
Yeah.
I like this. Okay, cool. Let's go to movie number 3. Keep your buzzers ready. This is our best lines. An aged gangster, unapologetic revolutionaries, and corrupt police officers construct a plan to loot a vehicle carrying crores of cash. An aged gangster, unapologetic revolutionaries, and corrupt police officers construct a plan to loot a vehicle carrying crores of cash. Crore. 7 crore. Maybe you guys, this is a much more recent film within the last 5 years. I'll tell
Okay.
you.
It's a vehicle, no? Okay.
Yeah?
Is this Special 26?
Nope, it is not. It's within the last 5 years.
Last 5
Oh, the
years. Yeah.
26
But so now
is not a
you
vehicle.
can't guess.
Yes, not
it's
a
a
vehicle.
shop,
Yeah, but I wasn't sure about
Anything?
it.
Devanshi?
No. Ruko. Before the hint, I want to think first.
Okay, sure. But you can't guess any further.
Nah, you're done.
You're done with one
Oh,
guess.
I can fucking...
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
You can only guess now after the hint.
An
if you want
aged
one.
gangster, unapologetic revolutionary, corrupt police officer, construct a plan to loot a vehicle carrying.
Okay, anything, guys?
Give hint.
Okay, the hint is, for half points, the hint is Tabu is in the film. Yeah. Yes?
Is this Kutte?
Absolutely. Wow, well done, dude. Well done. That was very cool, very cool.
मैंने
2.5
देखी
out-
नहीं है वो film, but
Oh,
then
अच्छा.
I
Yeah,
remember.
Tabu ka last film.
Yeah, correct,
Tabu was a
correct. She's
great
one of the
actor,
corrupt
actually.
police officers.
Yeah.
Arjun Kapoor is also there. The movie had a lot of promise, but the
But
end,
it
end
was
the
very
climax
bad.
didn't.
Yeah.
The climax didn't work almost at all. 2.5 again for Urjita madam. Okay, so next. Movie number 4. Buzzers at the ready. We'll do 2 more in this game and then move on to the next game. Major Jaidev saves a politician from the clutches of a dreaded terrorist. However, the terrorist joins hands with his childhood friend Anjali to ruin his life.
What?
That's, early 2000s plots used to be like this.
So this is early 2000s.
Early
film,
2000s,
क्या?
yeah.
Okay.
Major Jaidev saves a politician from the clutches of a dreaded terrorist. However, the terrorist joins hands with his childhood friend Anjali to ruin his life. Quickly. क्या लग रहा है?
Politician from the clutches of- It's not a popular film क्योंकि तूने
Wait,
नाम
one
नहीं लिखा
second.
है.
एक सेकेंड. ये पॉलिटिशियन को उसने टेररिस्ट से बचाया. फिर टेररिस्ट ने
Terrorist joins hands with whose childhood friend? Jaidev's childhood
or
friend?
politician's childhood friend.
Major Jaidev's childhood friend is Anjali.
Okay,
The politician, the terrorist joins hands with Anjali to fuck up Major Jaidev's life.
But what happened to the politician?
He's there.
just
he's
saved-
around.
he
He's
saved
around.
him.
Yeah. The terrorist is the one who's pissed off. कि यार मेरा plan chopper कर
तो
दिया
उसने
साले."
दोस्त बना दी. ठीक है,
हाँ.
revenge plan किया उसने.
Yeah. Also, like he used Anjali. He didn't actually like join hands. It's like that. But I'm just helping you guys more and more. Please see if you guys can get an answer.
Man, these questions are very tough.
They are a little
Very,
tough.
very
So I thought you guys would be good contestants, you know. So I
Look
could,
at us
I
asking
could
for a
ask
hint.
slightly advanced questions.
Honestly, none of the films I have watched.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like
Even the
what,
ones
yeah.
उससे भी
जिनके
देखी, हाँ,
answers
correct.
मुझे मिले थे,
हाँ,
first
correct.
including the first one.
तूने शेफ नहीं देखी है?
नहीं देखी, नहीं
अरे
देखी
बहुत
है।
अच्छी है
Chef-
the movie the
Yeah,
English
yeah.
one.
The English one तो is great.
Yeah.
पर हिंदी वाली
हिंदी वाली
मैंने भी
नहीं
नहीं
देखी
देखी
है।
मैंने इसमें से एक
मैंने
भी
English
मूवी नहीं
देखी
देखी
है।
है.
Okay, okay.
ये शायद तूने
ये
देखी
शायद
होगी।
देखी भी होगी.
Okay.
नहीं आ रहा तो I'll give you guys a hint.
Fuck.
Should I?
चल एक पूछ के देखते हैं.
You can see there are no negative points. You can absolutely ask
Yeah.
हाँ,
and see where it goes.
Is this movie आंखें?
Nope, not okay. But you were asking about the Govinda Aankhein, right?
दिल जले.
Yeah, okay. No, not
Is
Dil
this
Jale.
Dil Jale? No.
Not Dil Jale. You were asking about the Akshay Kumar Aankhein.
अक्षय कुमार आंखें.
Okay, but neither of them. But no. But yeah, Dil Jale bhi nahi hai.
No.
Now the hint I will tell you is Anjali is played by Madhuri Dixit.
I have no idea. No. Major Jaydev, Madhuri Dixit, Anjali, siding with a terrorist. Fuck, I don't remember only. No.
I'll give you another hint.
I know this movie.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
give
Okay.
another hint.
Okay.
It has Anil Kapoor in it.
Eh?
Yes.
Is this Major Saab?
No.
That has Ajay Devgan in it.
Yeah,
And,
it's not.
No,
It's
no,
not.
Akele
Major
na
Saab.
bazaar jaya. That's from that
Arey,
movie.
this is that. Fuck.
You're absolutely right.
I
you
know.
are,
I
yes.
know this movie has K Sara Sara
Yes,
का
that's the
गाना.
one, dude. Come on. Obviously, you can't guess. You already took your guess.
मुझे बता दे.
I
अगर
know the
तुझे याद
film now.
Yeah, I
When she
get
said
it.
the song.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck. What is
प्यार
the
हर
name of the
खुशी
movie?
प्यार
I know,
देती
can I get
प्यार
that?
लेके
No,
जाए।
no. अब मुझे बता दे तू. मैं तुझे हेल्प किया इतना.
नहीं,
मुझे
नहीं.
बता दे तू.
तूने क्या हेल्प किया?
बहुत सारे hints.
मुझे पता है यार ये मूवी. Can I get like 0.25 points?
No,
So
I know the
it
name.
has to go to the audience if
Yeah.
Devanshi doesn't get it, you know.
Fine. Okay.
Devanshi, anything at all?
Pukar. Is it
Yes,
Pukar?
Yes, it is
Is it
Pukar.
Pukar?
It is Pukar.
Yes.
It is Pukar. Okay, cool.
She gets 0.5, no?
She gets 2.5.
2.5.
नहीं पर 2 hints के बाद ना.
वो मैंने ही दिए थे खुद को 2
She
hints.
said Anil Kapoor. She only said. Yeah, she only said. What is this one? Again, 2.5 for Devanshi right there.
Yeah.
Cool. Very well done. Very well done. We'll do one more in this at the very least, and then let's
Fuck,
see.
these
where
are
we
very underrated films, dude. I have. Oh
Dude,
man.
Pukar is a great movie. I
Great movie.
love
I would-
that.
I
I
actually-
haven't seen Pukar
Yeah.
either. मैंने बचपन में देखी थी, but I don't remember.
ये
it.
who was the terrorist in that?
So Anil Kapoor is in the film.
Anil Kapoor is the love
Amrish
interest.
Puri is in the film. No, sorry. Danny Dengzompa. Dengzompa, I think, is the terrorist.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
अंतरिक्ष is like मुझे कोई सवाल मत पूछो मूवी के बारे में.
I don't know.
I
all these
haven't
things.
seen these movies.
Okay, now movie number 5. Keep buzzers ready. Dash falls in love with Dash, a womanizer who jilts her after she gets pregnant. However, when she is ostracized by everyone, Dash, her best friend, supports and helps her. Yes.
क्या कहना? Is this क्या कहना? Is this
Yes,
क्या
I'll
कहना?
give you.
Yeah.
Cool. 5 points for Urshita. Cool. Thank God.
My first 5 points. Wow.
Oh yeah, fair. Cool. ठीक है, 5 हो गया. Last one we'll do because this one's very quick. Absolute last one. That's our best life. Yes.
Wow. Yeah, love it.
Dash struggles to find herself a suitable groom due to her prospects' huge dowry demands. After meeting Dash, a chef, she and her father plan to implicate him and his family in a dowry case. Yeah, this is.
Is this a recent film?
What would you say is recent?
5 years.
I think so. I'll check, but
Okay.
it is recentish. Yes. Not in the last 5 years, but in 2010s.
And in 2010. Okay.
Yeah, 2010s.
What does implicate
Between 2010
mean?
and 2020 के
Like frame him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So saying कि वो देखो dowry की demand कर रहा है भाई.
I was thinking of a Kiara Advani film, but वो भी recently आई थी. No, that
Sorry,
is not
what year did you say is the movie?
It's actually 2014, so 2010s.
Okay.
But 2014, I'll tell you.
Not a
10
famous
year
film,
ago, हाँ.
Oh, yeah, 10 years. Yeah,
but
right.
not a famous film, I'm guessing.
It is famous.
a famous
A
film.
few songs of it are also famous. The actors are most definitely famous. After meeting Dash, a chef, she and her father plan to implicate him and his family in a dowry case.
Do
Nothing?
they succeed?
No, of course, that's
They fall in love
They
and
fall
then
in-
they get
exactly.
married without the
Thank
dowry.
you. Well done. Yeah.
Man, just nothing about any movie's plot.
Okay, chalo,
I'm
no
able
problem.
to
I'll tell
guess.
you. This movie has Pariniti Chopra in it. This is a hint. So again, 2.5 points. Have you guys gotten it? No, even the audience has not gotten it. Maybe this is a difficult episode. Yes.
Is this Dawate?
Wow!
Oh yeah.
Urjita's killing it at this 2.5, dude. Very
Nice.
cool.
Yeah.
2.5
Just
for Urjita again.
Pariniti Chopra, I was like, Chef, Aditya Roy Kapoor wali film. And again, even this movie I haven't watched.
Yeah, fair. But
I have
Dil ne
watched.
dastar
Dil
khan
ne dikha,
chaya
exactly.
Dawate. Bas that's all I
that's some
know.
famous songs,
Yeah.
famous actors, you know. ठीक है, that was well done. We are
कहाँ
at the
से
end.
movie ढूंढ रहा है यार तू अंतरिक्ष?
So the
I'm
thing is,
so-
I have now 10 episodes plus 50
Yeah.
plus episodes
Yeah,
in.
yeah,
So I
yeah.
have to like think of
He
like
has
how to
covered
do it.
almost
Yeah,
all
exactly.
But
Dude.
I love how you're sticking to your promise of not choosing any movie that we have covered on As It's
I
like
tried my best.
It's like
I
you
tried
know
my best.
radar के बाहर जितना तू जा सकता है उतना जा रहा है, which is great. I'm
nice.
also thinking a
Yes,
lot
nice.
now. Yeah.
Now you but all these films you can get on Hazard as well.
Yeah,
Like Pukar would be a good film to
Pukar
discuss.
actually, yeah, yeah,
would be
a
actually.
good film. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very
All right,
good
let's see where we stand at the end of game 1. Mr. Pratik, please tell us where we stand, sir.
Urjita is at 12.5, Devanshi is at 7.5.
12.5, 7.5, and you guys are at 0. Okay, so 0, 7.5, 12.5. Next round onwards, just say the lowest to highest. Okay, that's just it with us. Like lowest score to highest score, so like intrigue.
अच्छा okay.
Okay.
अच्छा
Say.
उनको भी
Like
काम
a
दे रहा है
reality
अंतरिक्ष.
show.
Yeah.
It's so simple. यार. Okay, what does he have to do?
Yeah, no.
Okay,
Guys,
with us.
they're almost doctors, by the way.
They are.
That's true. That's true.
They're
That's
AI
true.
doctors.
We will play another game for you guys where we ask you questions about disabilities. All the
Let's see
medical
how
questions.
correct you get it.
Yeah.
हमारे lungs कितने खराब हैं?
Yeah. What is the powerhouse of the cell? That's all I know.
Like
Okay.
real GK, you mean?
Okay.
Yeah, real useful GK जिन पे जिंदगी निर्भर है. Yeah.
So going forward, okay, I will allow you guys a phone a friend lifeline.
Oh wow,
Okay,
my
you
phone
can
is
call up
charging.
anyone in the comedy scene.
मेरे फोन में तेरे नंबर
ठीक है, ठीक है.
You can call up anyone in the comedy scene, in the Bombay or Indian comedy scene, to get your answer.
Okay.
And whoever gets it first because it's this game is a both of you get to answer. It's not a buzzer game.
Oh,
but
it's
the
like
next one will be a
both
buzzer.
of us are in the same team.
No. You're
We
still
can just
separate
shout
teams,
it out.
But no. The first. Okay, I'll just tell you. The next game we're going to be playing is a new game that we've just recently introduced. It's called Whose Line Was It Anyway? It's an homage to one of the great shows of all time. But
Yeah.
this game is basically I'm going to quote a dialogue from a film and give you 4 options as to who said it and in which film. You have to tell me the correct answer.
Okay.
Okay? Very simple game. And everyone will get a chance to go at it. So Urjita and Devanshi and the audience are each playing separately for themselves. Urjita, the first question can start with Urjita and then go on to Devanshi and then the audience.
Got
And second
it,
question
got
can start with Devanshi and then Urjita and then go on to the audience.
ठीक है.
All right? Simple enough. And phone a friend applies. So if you want, please
ठीक
feel
है.
free. If it's too difficult a question, you can ask someone you think who would know the answer.
Okay.
Whose line was it anyway? Let's go to the first one. First one can start with Urjita. कभी कभी दिल जोड़ने के लिए दिल तोड़ना पड़ता है और दिल तोड़कर जोड़ने वाले को पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं. ए रणवीर सिंह इन गुंडे, इज इट शाहरुख खान इन बाजीगर, इज इट सी अक्षय कुमार इन मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी और इज इट डी शाहरुख खान इन बादशाह.
मुझे पता है.
Okay, you-
It's D Shahrukh Khan and Badshah.
Okay, that's what you think. All right.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so everybody.
Everyone
has to
gets
answers
to
and
answer.
whoever.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's unfair. No, what if like mine is the right answer and then everybody just copies?
That happens.
Fine.
प्यार हर खुशी प्यार जिंदगी प्यार है. Is it Ranveer Singh in Gunde,
I know.
Shahrukh Khan in Bazigar, Akshay Kumar in Mr. Mr. Khiladi, and Shahrukh Khan in Badshah? What do you think?
I'll go with Ranveer Singh in Gunde.
Ranveer Singh in Gunde. Okay. Urjita has said SRK in Badshah. What do you guys think?
We'll say B.
You say B. Shahrukh Khan
नहीं
in
पर
Bazigar.
वो तो गलत ही है. Sorry, I can't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
वो तो-
A minus the risk, my A or B.
बोल.
But you said Badshah, right?
I said
She said
She
Badshah.
said Badshah.
She
I said Gunde.
Gunde. And you?
Badshah. SRK vibes है. हाँ, ठीक.
Okay. So both the audience and Urjita have said Badshah and Devanshi has said Gunde. The correct answer is in fact Badshah. Yes, you are
Yay.
right. You are right. So next time, if you know the answer, don't say yes, I know the answer, because that is helping your opponent.
But then,
You know, or you could be bluffing.
Acha,
You never know,
oh,
but you never know. You
nice.
could be bluffing also.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So you will notice how this game works is I find the dialogues and then I think of which films this would fit in
Nice.
somewhat
Yeah.
and try to confuse you guys through that.
You know,
Yes.
true, because I was also confused between Ranveer, Gunde and Badshah. I also
Yeah.
because for sure I knew Bazigar में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
बाजीगर में तो ओरिजिनल
हार की
डायलॉग
जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
Yeah,
बादशाह
yeah.
में was a meta thing
Yeah,
of playing on that,
exactly,
and that was so
yeah.
smart.
And I remembered also that dialogue where he said it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because Shah Rukh Khan here was confused because he was also slightly
Correct.
falling in love with her.
Yeah.
So when he was like,
This is the
that
अखरोट वाला scene. अखरोट टूटता नहीं
वाला
है.
scene,
Yes.
yeah. And then immediately टूटता है.
This is
yeah.
literally my favorite. This and Mehuna are my favorite Shah Rukh Khan films of
Mehuna
all
is
time.
amazing.
Amazing.
I was rewatching it 3-4 days ago.
Dude, always
it's so
still great.
good. It's so
Man,
fun.
Shah Rukh needs to do more comedies. Yeah,
Yeah,
like he
yeah,
has
he's
never
too
done
good.
like an all-out comedy.
Yeah.
I think Badshah is the only all-out comedy.
Even Mehuna's
Mehuna's
fully
like
comedy.
full first half is like
Yeah.
comedy only,
And,
then
he needs
Sunil
to
Shetty
do,
comes.
he needs to do comedy in his own way. Like
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
Donkey he tried, but then I think
Correct.
like
His
that
whole,
was
yeah,
That boobles and all we don't need. We don't
yeah.
need boobles and shit.
Yeah.
We don't need his Ravan wala comedy is also pretty bad.
He is a very good angry comic.
Angry
He's
comic.
just he's very funny when he's pissed off.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's really funny.
Dude,
so.
like Shah Rukh interviews are some of the best interviews ever,
Yeah.
dude. Ever.
Yeah.
That's just so fun.
Yeah.
All these, like, you know, he'll be at some press conference and all these things have gone viral where someone has like a, you know, like a shout out question and Shah Rukh has some amazing answer back, always ready to go somehow.
Yeah.
Man, just genius this guy. All right, cool. That was Urjita and the audience get full 5 points. Devanshi does not get any.
No problem.
Next one.
Yeah.
Okay. No buzzers needed. Devanshi will go first. Urjita will go second, and then the audience.
Okay.
हर धोती पहनने वाला गांधी नहीं होता. Is it A. Paresh Rawal in Hangama, B. Boman Irani in Lage Rao Munna Bhai, C. Om Puri in Mala Mal Weekly, or is it D. Johnny Lever in Phir Hera Pheri?
Oh, this is very confusing. Fuck. I thought I was sure, but no.
हर धोती पहनने वाला गांधी नहीं होता. परेश रावल इन हंगामा और बमन ईरानी इन लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई और ओम पुरी इन माला माल वीकली और जॉनी लीवर इन फिर हेरा फेरी.
It's confusing because Paresh Rawal is in fact wearing a dhoti in the in Hangama the entire
Well, yeah,
film.
true.
So it's
Yeah.
confusing.
True enough.
Johnny Lever in Phir Hera Pheri.
Please think out loud if you guys are thinking. We shouldn't have these elongated moments of
Oh,
silence.
silence.
I was
Oh.
going to ask you कि अंतरिक्ष
Yeah, yeah.
इस बार क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है to think out loud. I was going to address
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
because you usually like one thing he says.
Oh,
Yeah, think
keep
out loud.
talking.
Guys,
Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
okay,
keep
okay.
talking what you're thinking.
Yeah, exactly.
See,
So-
I'm confused between Baman Irani in Lage Rao Munna Bhai
Okay, sure. of
and
course.
Paresh Rawal in Hangama.
Okay, sure.
ओम पुरी तो लग नहीं रहा मुझे मालावाल वीकली से.
Have you seen all these films, guys, by the way?
I have seen all. Yes,
same.
I have seen all of them.
I would say all of them are actually fun, except Hangama, I feel, gets very boring. Yeah.
What are you saying?
Like, see,
What? Hangama is hilarious.
Yeah.
Halchal is a bad film, according to me.
Shut up.
Hangama
Are you
is decent.
serious?
I'm
Guys,
leaving this
what do you
spot.
think?
Hangama is
Hangama-
both are big.
Exactly,
What
they're so good.
Man,
What are
Halchal
you
to
talking
I
about?
hate. There is no joke in Halchal except
Wait
for
a second.
Arshad Varsi, dude. There is no comedy happening in the movie.
There is.
Of
The
course
whole-
there
the
is.
whole scene, the whole section, no, where Kareena Kapoor and Akshay Kumar, they are trying
Akshay
to fool
Khanna.
each other. Akshay
Yeah,
Khanna, Akshay
yeah.
Khanna. They are trying to fool each other. That is hilarious. Even that song, Rafta Rafta,
Holy
उसमें भी
yeah.
it is so funny to
Sure.
see them pretending to like
Antariksh
be
is not
lovers.
convinced
Yeah,
at
I'm
all.
not. Halchal to I've never liked. Hangama I used to like, but I feel like I've grown out of it and I don't like it
Maybe
anymore.
I think the memification of Hangama has gotten to you. Maybe
Yeah,
that's-
Sure,
Hangama
maybe
became
it did.
And also
I do
for
like
us,
one song from that film which हम नहीं तेरे दुश्मनों में. What? Sorry, you were saying?
I was saying for me it's a very strong childhood memory. It was like we used to watch it on TV and
Yeah,
the whole
fair.
family used to laugh. So
Yeah, fair enough. But what are you saying, Devanshi?
What am I going to go with? I'll go with Paresh Rawal Hangama.
A. Paresh Rawal Hangama is
Yeah,
Devanshi's
no,
answer.
this is
Urjita?
going to be wrong.
Man. I love how you have added Boman Irani also because Gandhi ji used to wear a dhoti and Gandhi is Gandhi. So that's a very
Correct.
good option.
Yeah.
Very good option. But
I mean-
also, I don't remember him saying this.
Also, I feel like Sanjay Dutt never wore a dhoti there.
Yeah, he
But-
never did. Never
Yeah.
did. Yeah. So I will go with this is very long shot, but I'll go with Om Puri Malamal Weekly.
Om Puri Mama Weekly. Okay.
Only because
Devanshi
the
was
other three I
Hangama.
don't remember them saying this dialogue. So
Sure.
purely.
Sure.
Yeah.
Devanshi said Hangama. You're saying Malamal Weekly, guys. C. Also
Fir
Om Puri
Hera
Malamal
Feri.
Weekly.
They trust.
Oh.
Yeah, they trust you, man.
You guys.
But unfortunately, the trust goes nowhere because all of you are wrong.
Oh damn.
The correct answer is Johnny Lever and Fir Hera Feri,
Oh
dude.
fuck.
Oh, nice. I love
Can we
this
say
game. It's
fuck
great.
by the way?
Sorry?
We can swear.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's encouraged. How else
Okay.
you go viral nowadays? No, it's cool. But dude, how awesome are these options I thought of?
Yeah.
I was like, dude, completely. People get thrown off by Lagra Munna. It's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Dude.
Cool. Well done.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
I genuinely couldn't remember Johnny Lever saying
Yeah,
this.
मुझे फिर हेरा फेरी
This
याद
is-
ही नहीं है पता है.
Yeah. So after, so Fir Hera Feri, you don't remember at all?
I've seen the movie.
Okay, so there is a scene in the film where Paresh Rawal and Akshay and Sunil Shetty rob their neighbor's house, which is Johnny Lever. So after that happens and Johnny Lever discovers that this has happened, this is when the dialogue is said. कि हर धोती पहनने वाला गांधी नहीं होता. He already has like a back and forth animosity between him and Paresh Rawal's character in the film.
Nice.
And this is
Very nice. Very good question. Very
cool.
nice.
Next one. Again, you guys
I
still
love
have
how
phone a friend.
everybody lost.
Yeah, that's fine. So 0 for everyone, right?
Yeah.
Your lifeline is still available if you guys need it to. Best rides. Next one. Dil Garden Garden Ho Gaya is said by Gulshan Grover in which of these films?
Oh my god.
Is it Gulshan Grover in International Khiladi, Gulshan Grover in Ram Lakhan, Gulshan Grover in Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi, or he said it in Hera Feri?
Fuck. I just remember watching one film.
Dil Garden Garden Ho Gaya.
मुझे लगता है ये चारों फिल्म में उसने कभी ना कभी बोला है.
Yeah, once it got
Interchangeable, it's all
viral, it
interchangeable.
was like his thing.
Yeah. In fact, I remember, I think I have heard Gulshan Grover say this in Dil Mange More.
Could well be, dude. He's the boss, no? Isn't he his
was
boss?
saying
Dil
it.
Mange
I
More, yeah,
remember
correct.
him like constantly like saying words of motivation to Shahid Kapoor in that film. Arey bhai, arey my literal, ek to sweetest landlord.
Yeah,
ever.
sure, correct. Yeah.
In that film, he was not Shahid Kapoor's landlord. He was Shahid Kapoor's one of the girls' actresses' landlord. I don't remember her
fair,
name.
fair.
But
So-
yeah.
Okay.
But yeah. Oh fuck, man.
What do you think? This one starts with Ruchita, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah,
Fuck,
this is yours.
very difficult.
Maybe you can call someone up if you want.
No one knows this.
Nobody will know this.
I am the biggest Bollywood divani
In our group, yeah.
मुझे अभी सीधा गुलशन ग्रोवर को ही फोन लगाना
Like, you
पड़ेगा.
never know what if Pulkit knows the answer or something, Kochar.
Yeah.
Oh
good,
shit!
Good
Hey,
idea.
I shouldn't be helping you.
Oh, what,
Sudarshan.
what the? Anyway, I'll
Sonali, you
say
can call
this-
Sonali quickly.
Wait.
She would know.
It's her-
Prasasti might
it's her
know.
round.
Prasasti might know also.
I am
No,
calling.
yeah,
but you
Prashasti
can
might
also
know.
call.
At
if you
this,
get the
on the
answer right.
side.
You
But
can, and let's
my
see.
phone
What if
calling
you get a better
Pulkit.
answer?
I am calling Pulkit.
Oh, this is Pulkit. I was just, I asked him yesterday also to be on the show, but he's in Kolkata right now. His birthday yesterday, so wish him also.
Yeah. I wished him. Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah. He reminded me it was his birthday, so I had to wish him that.
Hello, hi Pulkit.
Yo, Pulkit, what's happening, buddy?
So हम अभी ये अंतरिक्ष के गेम शो में है, दैट फिल्मी गेम शो, एंड देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई थिंक यू कैन हेल्प मी विद. हाँ, तू फ्री है ना 30 सेकंड के लिए? हाँ. सो दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया. दिस इज अ गुलशन ग्रोवर डायलॉग. टेल मी कौन सी मूवी से. मैं तुझे 4 ऑप्शंस बताती हूँ. ऑप्शन 1 इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी, ऑप्शन बी राम लखन, ऑप्शन सी खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी एंड ऑप्शन डी हेरा फेरी.
भाई बहुत प्रेशर है देखिए.
बट डू यू रिमेंबर हिम सेइंग दिस डायलॉग इन एनी फिल्म?
हाँ उसके बाद गाना भी बन गया क्या कूले हमने.
दिल गार्डन
But that is in,
गार्डन
क्या
हो
कूल है?
गया.
हाँ नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ उसी के डायलॉग पे गाना बना था.
हाँ
गुलशन ग्रोवर का ही है.
हाँ. इंटरनेशनल
पहले
खिलाड़ी,
3 फिल्म है. हाँ
इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी, राम लखन, खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी और हेरा फेरी.
नॉट हेरा फेरी.
हाँ. इज दिस राम लखन? आई थिंक राम लखन हैज मेनी दिल गार्डन गार्डन
आवाज कही
सीन्स.
की है राम लखन, उसमें डायलॉग वाजी तो होगी पक्का.
या
मुझे पहली 2 में से कोई लग रहा है.
आई आल्सो थिंक इट्स राम लखन. इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में क्या अक्षय कुमार ही था ना?
हाँ.
इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में ना वो था अंडरटेकर.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, दैट्स खिलाड़ियों खिलाड़ी ब्रो.
That's खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
खिलाड़ी
हाँ.
इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में शायद उसका डबल रोल होता है या वो एंड में एक ही निकलते हैं ऐसा कुछ.
नहीं नहीं, दैट्स अफलातून डबल रोल वाला. इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी में
Are you sure you
क्या
want
कर रहा है? आई थॉट पुलकित कौन सा?
पुलकित तूने तेरा बॉडी डबल है क्या ये क्या है? अच्छा ओके कूल. ओके सो राम लखन. आई एम गोइंग विद राम लखन. या ओके कूल. राम लखन.
Alright, you're saying-
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Pulkit. See you, man. Have a great birthday. See you soon, man.
बाय बाय.
Yeah.
Ram
Okay.
Lakhan,
Yeah, she's saying Ram Lakhan. Gulshan Grover and
I'm
Ram Lakhan.
going with Ram Lakhan.
Okay, also going with Ram Lakhan?
Yeah,
Okay,
of
if you want to
course.
make it interesting.
You
I don't want to make it interesting
Okay,
anymore.
You go with खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
Go with खिलाड़ियों
ये
में
लोगों ने
खिलाड़ी.
गूगल किया. मुझे लग रहा है नहीं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, I don't think. See, the stakes are so low. Please
Yeah,
don't Google
don't
ever,
Google.
guys. Okay. Dil Garden हो गया. You said Ram Lakhan, Gulshan Grover and Ram Lakhan. They are saying Gulshan Grover and खिलाड़ियों में खिलाड़ी. The correct answer is international खिलाड़ी.
Wow.
Dil Garden हो गया.
We
Famous
all
line.
lost.
Gulshan Grover has like a full white mane in the movie, and whenever he's like a gangster dude only, and he keeps saying,
क्या
"Dil
उड़ता है यार?
Garden हो गया."
मैं तुझे फॉलो कर रही थी.
That's why I was like trying to make it interesting. What if we went with the other option that Pulkit suggested?
Yeah, you could have.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah.
I was playing it safe.
That's fun. That was fun. Again, shout out to Pulkit. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Next one, and we have two more in this game. You guys are having a good time in this game?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Chalo.
Are you guys having a good time? Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thanks.
Let's
Yeah. Keep this one.
Oh my
starts-
God.
This is international.
His
Yes.
underarms.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ये इधर गार्डन हो रखा है unnecessarily.
This is so next one starts with Urjita.
But I love how, dude. I love how उसने armpits trim किए.
थोड़े कभी तो
और
किए थे
छाती के बाल
और फिर
नहीं
और
किए।
फिर और फिर रुक गए
नहीं
और फिर रुक
किए।
गए.
There's
Yeah.
a full bloom there.
Yeah. Dude, and actually, if you see tree shape में उसने बाल काटे हुए हैं छाती के. See?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, it's
correct,
combed
correct.
that. It's groomed that way.
Yeah.
I think
Combed.
वो बस ऐसे ही है. I don't think it's groomed.
No,
anyway.
no. They used to. I think so. मतलब
yeah.
कुछ तो. There was some kind of shaping involved.
It feels like they trimmed, like they wanted to trim the whole thing, but they changed their mind halfway.
Okay, fair enough. Fair
Yeah.
enough. Fair enough. All right.
Or
Cool.
he was like, no.
Yeah.
It could be, man. Who knows? But like, dude, this was the entire 90s.
Yeah.
Was like this.
He
only.
looks cute though, face wise.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh yeah, that's true. He does, man. Yeah, right. What a stud. That's what Ravina Tandon fell in love with back in the day.
And Shilpa.
And
Shetty.
Shilpa. And Twinkle
This
Twinkle
player,
Khanna.
bro, player, just all the beautiful women.
Okay.
Okay. All right, next
Yes.
one.
Next one.
शादी के साथ ना सिर्फ एंगेजमेंट रिंग और वेडिंग रिंग आते हैं बल्कि एक और रिंग भी आता है, सफरिंग. Is it A. Akshay Kumar in action replay, B. Salman Khan in no entry, C. Vivek Oberoi in Masti, or D. Farhan Akhtar in शादी के side effects?
Very good options, dude.
Thank you.
मैं literally मेरे दिमाग में आए
सभी हो सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you. That's by design, guys.
Very
Devanshi,
good.
what do you think?
Salman Khan in no entry.
Okay, you can call up someone if you're interested.
Should I call up someone? Is that a hint?
Cool. Let's see. Let's see.
Pulkit googled and then उसने बोला sorry international खिलाड़ी. I love how he was so
man.
inquisitive. He's like,
Yeah,
"मुझे-
yeah.
I need to find out.
I need to know this.
Yeah, I was
May-
like, Pulkit,
yes.
call-
It's about my brand value.
Call पर है कि Google कर लेता.
Yeah. Dude, if Pulkit was a stock, his stock is going down tonight if we give that answer.
Yeah.
So Pulkit, if you guys don't know Pulkit Kochar, like a full Bollywood buff, please follow him if you guys don't already.
He's a
Very
nice
funny.
content creator.
Very
उसके
good.
भी
Very
100K
funny content
होने
creator.
वाले.
Yeah. And yeah. Okay, let's see. Devanshi is trying to make a call. Let's see what happens. Just keep the mic to your mouth, no? And then when someone calls, put it on speaker and then attach the mic.
Well, I'm just waiting for her to pick up.
Yes, no problem.
Who are you
Who you
calling?
trying to call? Who you gonna
Shrija.
call?
Shrija, okay.
Shreeja. Yeah, Shreeja might know. She might well know.
I called my friend also Bollywood वाली, but उसने फोन नहीं उठाया.
इसके फोन
कहते
नहीं
हैं
उठा रहे
हमको
लोग.
प्यार से बॉलीवुड
वो काम वो उसका डे जॉब है भाई. और ये भी नहीं उठा रही.
वो शो पे होगी ना यार अभी.
हाँ.
नहीं. I think she's
I'm
रुक
trying
जा.
to think कि किसके
सुप्रिया को
accent
कॉल
में-
करती हूँ मैं. सुप्रिया will know.
Okay, I'll just repeat the question in the meantime. शादी के साथ ना सिर्फ एंगेजमेंट रिंग और वेडिंग रिंग आते हैं बल्कि एक और रिंग भी आता है, सफरिंग.
I have seen this.
Is it A. Akshay Kumar in action replay, B. Salman Khan in no entry, C. Vivek Oberoi in Masti, or D. Farhan Akhtar in
Hello,
शादी के
Supriya.
साथ?
You
Put it
have
on loudspeaker,
one second.
loudspeaker.
You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes. Okay, I'm on the filmy game show. Not just a filmy game show.
That filmy game
That
show.
filmy game
That's
show.
fine. That's fine.
That filmy game show. And there's a question I need help with. Okay, so who said this line? I'll give you options also. The line is शादी के साथ ना सिर्फ engagement ring और wedding ring आते हैं बल्कि एक और ring भी आता है suffering. Okay. Was it in Akshay Kumar in Action Replay, Salman Khan in No Entry, Vivek Oberoi in Masti, or Farhan Akhtar in Shaadi Ke Side Effects?
I think it's Vivek Oberoi in Masti.
Okay, ठीक है. You're pretty certain?
Yeah, it sounds like him only.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Supriya. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Okay, I'll go with Supriya. Vivek Oberoi and Masti.
Vivek Oberoi and Masti.
Yeah.
So I think I have a vague memory of Farhan Akhtar saying this, which is also what I thought of when I read the question without reading the options.
Oh, really? Okay.
So I'm going with my gut instinct here for Farhan Akhtar Shaadi Ke Side Effects.
Okay. Devanshi saying Vivek Oberoi and Masti. You're saying Farhan Akhtar and Shaadi Ke Side Effects. Audience, what do you guys think?
Guys,
We'll go with C.
You go with C as well. Vivek Oberoi and Masti. The correct answer is yes. Vivek Oberoi and Masti is right. Very cool. Supriya Joshi. Yes, Superwoman. Please also follow her. if you're
yeah,
not already
follow her
following.
on Instagram.
Yes, very cool. Well done.
देवांशी काफी टाइम बाद पॉइंट मिला है.
हट गए तू रो
Alright.
भाई.
किसी और की मेहरबानी से कोई
तेरी मेहरबानी तो उल्टी पड़ गई. तूने जो बॉलीवुड बफ को कॉल किया उसे तो गलत जवाब दे दिया. एटलीस्ट माय फ्रेंड्स आर वेल लर्नड.
तीसरी फ्रेंड ने इसका फोन उठाया,
उठा के सही जवाब दिया. मेन पॉइंट क्या है?
Great. Well done.
Yeah.
Very well done.
Yeah.
I think also like you lucked out on the person you called because I don't
Yeah.
think many people would be this sure about the answer.
Yeah.
So very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay, and the final one in this game again. So 5 points for Devanshi and for you guys. All right.
And for them,
Yeah. They also got the same answer, right? The last one in this game is as follows: पुलिस वालों की ना दोस्ती अच्छी ना दुश्मनी, तूने तो दोनों कर ली. Is it A. Salman Khan in Dabangg, B. Ajay Devgan in Singham, C. Amitabh Bachchan in Khaki, or D. Nana Patekar in Ab Tak 56?
ये this is Urjita first.
Urjita goes first. Yeah. पुलिस वालों की ना दोस्ती अच्छी ना दुश्मनी, तूने तो दोनों कर ली. तूने तो दोनों ही कर ली. Is it Salman Khan in Dabangg, Ajay Devgan in Singham, Amitabh Bachchan in Khaki, or D. Nana Patekar in Ab Tak 56?
दबंग या सिंघम में से कोई है. Because the other two I have not seen.
What are you
and
thinking? What are you thinking,
इसमें से-
What are you partial towards?
So I, for some reason, I can hear Amitabh saying this dialogue.
In Khaki?
But also, it makes more sense for this dialogue to be in Singham. I think...
Yeah.
Man, this is very confusing. Let me just think more.
Okay, just think out loud and we're good.
Okay, so Ajay Devgan. So in Singham, the plot is that Ajay Devgan is Singhamizing.
Singhamizing?
Yeah.
And there's that woman who gets to save in
Yeah.
the first scene. He
Yeah,
saves
yeah,
her from rape and all.
No, that is Simba.
No, that's Singham.
I think
Oh,
it's
sorry,
the same.
Simba
I think
पे rape हो जाता है,
it's
sorry.
the
Yeah.
same setup
Yeah. Wow.
in different ways, in
Wow.
different levels.
Rohit
But
Shetty
by
has
the way,
one plot line.
This whole plot line, no, of like a woman getting raped, kidnapped, or murdered, and the hero taking revenge on her behalf. That is the concept of called a fridged woman. It is a very fridged woman. Yeah. Do you know about this
Like
concept?
No.
fridge, refrigerator वाला fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fridged woman.
cold basically मर गई है वो.
Yeah, so basically, when you use a woman as a victim, and basically her being a victim is driving the entire plot.
Basically Draupadi.
Oh, sure.
Draupadi.
Draupadi का भी तो same ही है
That
story.
she's not a fridged woman because she also has an active role to play.
She has no active role.
No, she has.
But before and after, not in the
Draupadi
event.
is not a fridged woman. Wrong. इसको महाभारत पता नहीं है.
अरे नहीं वो event.
Go watch Kalki.
तू फिर से पढ़ के आ.
Fridged woman का मैं concept. Basically, I'll give you an example. Kalpana in Gajni is a Kalpana and Gajni, Shraddha
Got
Kapoor
it.
in Ek Villain. Like they don't have a lot to do in the film. Like they are serving as the manic pixie dream girl.
अरे
where-
but वो दो अलग concept है. Manic Pixie Dream Girl is Geet.
नहीं, you can have that in the fridged woman वाला thing.
अरे
So
but
fridged
वो
woman
but
में-
she wait.
इसको
one
पता
second.
नहीं था
No,
4
but-
मिनट पहले
One
fridged
second.
woman का अभी
मुझे
explain
Manic
कर रही
Pixie
है.
Dream Girl बहुत पता है.
But I like the thought that just this concept is so extensively used in
yeah.
films
So
that they have a
basically
phrase for it.
yeah.
Basically,
It's
लड़के
crazy.
का whole purpose is either saving the girl or taking revenge.
Got
Yeah.
it, got it, got
Like
it. Yeah,
that is
yeah.
yeah.
that is the entire reason why the girl exists in the
You know
film.
that movie जिसमें there's a dog, it's an English film, small dog, उसकी girlfriend मर जाती है, कुत्ता रख जाती है, कुत्ता मर जाता है, revenge लेता है वो.
Keanu Reeves.
Keanu Reeves.
Yeah,
bhi.
yeah.
Oh, John Wick.
Yeah, even that, in that there's no act. The motivation is that it's the dead girlfriend.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, like that. Okay.
So
Fair,
Fresh
fair,
Woman ka another example. So that is the concept.
So basically, she doesn't have an active role to play, but
Yeah,
she
yeah.
is the victim
The
because of
reason
whom
everything,
everything is
happens,
happening.
yeah.
Alright, cool, interesting. I didn't not know that.
Okay.
Thank you for that.
दोस्ती
What do you
अच्छी
think?
दुश्मनी तुझे तो दोनों ही कर ली. पुलिस वालों की ना दोस्ती अच्छी. It is okay, fine. I'll go with Ajay Devgan Singham.
Ajay Devgan Singham.
Yeah.
Devanshi.
मैं भी अजय देवगन सिंघम.
Ajay Devgan Singham. Guys.
I so want to go with D because I recently saw that and I think there is one dialogue where Nana Patekar says this, but plot-wise it is B, so I will go with B.
You'll go with B.
So everyone's going with B.
Reluctantly, he's going with B.
Ajay Devgan Singham. Everyone's fine with their answers?
Yeah.
The correct answer, all of you are right. Yes.
Yay!
It is Ajay Devgan and Singham.
Because of
Well
my
done.
thought process.
Well done, well done.
Everybody is getting free ka answer, right answer.
Very well done. Very well done. Actually impressive the way you did it. So cool.
Yeah.
Let's see where we stand at the end of this game. Guys, where we scores, they'll take some time to calculate. That's all good. Cool, man. Ajay Devgan Singham. What do you like more between Dabangg and Singham? Do you guys have a preference between the two movies?
I like Dabangg more.
I like Singham more. Yeah.
I like Dabangg way more.
Dabangg is
Also came
actually
first.
yeah.
Yeah.
Also it's really meta in terms of
Yeah, dude.
like there's actual humor in the. I like
Correct.
the first one a
Yeah,
lot.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
very funny.
Both
Yeah,
Singham and Dabangg, I like the first film.
Yeah,
a lot.
correct.
उसके बाद they take themselves too
Dude,
seriously.
Singham 2 also is still okay, but Singham 1 was very good. Singham, in fact, I think Singham I would rate it higher than Dabangg simply for its climax. That whole scene where
Okay, sure.
it is so satisfying.
अब कर रही है call श्रीजा उठाऊं
It
मैं?
is.
Yeah. And say this was the thing.
Hello.
हेलो
हाँ श्रीजा मैं I was at the filmy game show तो I wanted a question का answer but सुप्रिया ने दे दिया उसने सुप्रिया ने.
Hey, Shrija, what's happening? How are you?
यार क्या it was phone a friend round?
Yeah, it was phone a friend round. Yeah.
Oh God, damn it, shit.
Look at her feeling bad, but Supriya gave the right answer.
तो मुझे बता ना question
क्या था question?
Okay, it was K.
Wait, I'll tell you the question.
Let's see if she gets it. Yeah, let's see if she
play
gets it. Let's see if
One
she
second.
gets it.
Okay, so the question is, I'll tell you the dialogue and there are options. Okay, you have to guess which कौन सी film में से ये dialogue बोला गया है, ठीक है? So the dialogue is शादी के साथ ना सिर्फ engagement ring और wedding ring आते हैं बल्कि एक और ring भी आता है suffering. Okay, so the first option is Akshay Kumar in action replay. Second option is Salman Khan in no entry. Third option is Vivek Oberoi in Masti. And fourth option is Farhan Akhtar in शादी के side effects.
Shit, यार. This is Farhan Akhtar in शादी के side effects.
Wrong. Vivek Oberoi in Masti.
Wrong.
अच्छा वो मैंने उठाया.
अच्छा वो
All right, thank you, Shrija. Thank you so much.
Thank you Shrija. अब मैं जा रही हूँ.
All right.
Alright.
See you. Bye.
Cool.
Yes.
So,
Moving on.
great. So nice, yeah. Good amount of cameos already on this episode.
Yeah.
Wow, man, that's cool. All right.
Look at her wanting to play the game.
Yeah, that's so
from
sweet.
there.
That's very sweet. That's
She's
very
like,
nice.
"मुझे
That's so
question
heartwarming. All right, cool. We are done with this game. Let's see where we are with the scores, guys.
The audience is at 15.
What is the 15? Very cool. Very well done.
Devanshi is at 17.5.
17.5. Okay.
Still leading the quiz. Ojita is at 22.5.
22.5. But only one question away. 5
Yeah,
points away you are.
yeah.
The next game is one of my favorite games. It's called Versus. This is the song lyrics game.
Oh God.
How this works is I will read out the second verse ka lyrics of a very popular song. Okay, the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular song.
Yeah.
Why the second verse? Because the second verse is the least heard part of any song. If you are ever at a party, no DJ has ever even heard of that second verse exists. I don't think they're aware.
Song remixes भी second और उसको conveniently
कर
Correct,
देते हैं,
correct,
हाँ.
correct, हाँ, correct.
Yeah.
Radio sometimes will also, क्या हो गया. Even when listening to music yourself, you'll be like, अच्छा ठीक है, I'm done now. I'll go to the next song. I heard enough. So that's why we'll be listening to the. I'll be reading out the second verse ka lyrics. You guys have to buzz in. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first.
Oh,
And let me know
इसमें
the
buzz
answers.
करना है.
Buzz around, but
ठीक है.
you don't need to ask the question anymore.
Okay.
This is just you can just shout out the answer and so.
Okay.
All right. How when the audience gets involved is after the hint round again.
Okay.
So the hint round is I go half for half, which is for half points. I half sing the lyrics that I'm speaking out loud, and if you guys don't get it at that point, then the audience gets to have a stab at it.
Nice.
Okay.
Let's go.
So let's go. The first one is the lyrics are they're not going to be on screen. They're going to be.
Oh, okay.
So no, you don't need to. It's all good. Sorry, I said that. Okay. Chalo, let's go. The lyrics are as follows of the second verse of this first song is लड़ लड़ के जीने को ये लम्हे तोड़े हैं मर मर के सीने में ये शीशे जोड़े हैं तुम
Hey, udi.
wow
Nice.
wow very cool hey
Yeah.
this goes up
5 points for me. Yeah.
जीने को
ये लम्हे
तोड़े हैं
मर मर के सीने में ये शीशे जोड़े हैं तुम कह दो सपना भी बस इतना सोचूं तो अंबर पे पहले ही सितारे तोड़े मुझे पूरा गाना आता है क्या
जिंदगी
आँखों की
आयत है जिंदगी पलकों पे रखी है तेरी अमानत है
जिंदगी है जिंदगी है जिंदगी
Yo,
You know, I just last weekend, I went to see an Adnan Sami concert.
Oh
It
wow.
was so
How was
fun,
it?
dude.
He
So
played the
fun.
song?
He did. This is like a big highlight moment. So firstly, he starts the show off going, don't worry, आपकी सारी फरमाइशें पूरी होंगी.
Oh, wow.
So he's gonna sing all his songs. Everyone's already fucking excited.
Nice.
You know how he comes on stage, so there's like a whole intro, which was a little too long. His band is playing while there's like a slideshow going on and all. And then he bursts out on stage. And when he bursts out on stage, he goes, oila, oila, oila.
क्या बात है यार.
Oila, oila, oila.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. So fun that was, dude. And dude, chills was when he sang Noore Khuda.
Oh,
Chills,
wow.
dude. Chills through the audience. What a voice.
Nice.
Oh, man. That was so fun.
Yeah.
Adnan Sami, shout out. Please come on the show again. Okay, this one. Let's go. The
Yes,
first one
so
was
let's go.
Rujita's point. Full 5 points for Rujita.
Yes.
The second one, the lyrics of the second verse are as follows. Please keep your buzzers at the ready. Okay. हो दे के चैन किसी को बेचैनी क्यों लेता है ये ऐसा दीवाना है जो इश्क में जान भी देता है I can go further but I'll see if you guys get it at this point.
Point कम
Because
होंगे क्या?
नहीं point कम नहीं होंगे but because that's a little bit of a giveaway. So at that point if I do read that I would say just really attack it. But ठीक है I'll read this much part again. Let's see if you guys get it. हो दे के चैन किसी को बेचैनी क्यों लेता है ये ऐसा दीवाना है जो इश्क में जान भी देता है ओके
I think थोड़ा आगे पढ़.
okay should I no
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
no, okay,
No,
nothing.
no,
Okay so the next one would have been okay I'll read those 4 and then further I'll go okay just so
Yeah.
you guys can flow हो देके चैन किसी को बेचैनी क्यों लेता है ये ऐसा दीवाना है जो इश्क में जान भी देता है उसे कहना भी होगा चुप रहना भी होगा उसे दर्दे जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा I'll read that part again the last part okay the last part उसे कहना भी होगा चुप रहना भी होगा उसे दर्दे जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा I think if you say the lyrics out loud, you might get the
उसे
tune.
कहना भी होगा
चुप रहना भी
चुप
होगा
रहना भी होगा
लाख जुदा है
वो ना झुकेगा.
फर्स्ट लाइन क्या है
The very first one?
Yeah.
Okay. हो देके चैन किसी को बेचैनी
हो
कोई-
देखे.
So basically like, you know like how the songs are like,
Oh, like that.
okay. So हो देके चैन किसी को बेचैनी क्यों लेता है ये ऐसा दीवाना है जो इश्क में जान भी देता है उसे कहना भी होगा चुप रहना भी होगा उसे दर्दे जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा Have you gotten it guys? Okay, they are really thinking.
No, I have no idea.
No idea at all?
Do you
want-
think
do you want
it's
anything?
is it a popular song?
Yeah.
Would I
would say.
know it?
Definitely. You guys definitely have heard the song.
या मुझे वो लाइन पता है उसे कहना भी होगा चुप रहना भी
Yeah,
होगा.
yeah. So try
I've
singing
heard
it.
that,
Just see
yeah.
if you can come up with a
उसे
tune.
कहना भी होगा चुप रहना.
Okay, I think I'll half sing it. Should I half sing it?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, half for half. So now it will be 2.5 points if you get it at this point.
Okay.
Okay. So half for half is I'm reading each alternate line as
Okay.
singing and then reading, singing and reading. Okay. हो दे के चैन किसी को बेचैनी क्यों लेता है ये ऐसा दीवाना है जो इश्क में जान भी देता है उसे कहना भी होगा
Oh,
चुप
yeah.
रहना भी होगा क्विक गाइस
जुदाई.
नो व्हाट इज द सॉन्ग ओके उसे दर्द जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा कम ऑन गाइस
भी होगा. चुप रहना भी होगा.
उसे दर्द जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा
एक मिनट.
लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा Come on, guys, so close. Who are you thinking is in the song? Let's see what.
Preeti Zinta,
No, not.
Rani Mukherjee.
Rani Mukherjee and Preeti Zinta are in the film. Yes.
Yeah, are in the movie. I know. पिया पिया वाली फिल्म है.
क्या कहना?
नहीं.
क्या कहना नहीं. It is that film I know. वो सरोगेसी वाली ना.
नहीं.
पिया पिया वाली फिल्म है.
Yeah.
पिया पिया वाली फिल्म है ये. हीरो कौन है इसमें? सलमान है. नहीं, सलमान है.
सलमान है यार.
No, nothing. You guys don't have it yet?
This is when she realizes that
Like I can imagine Rani Mukherjee.
he's in
singing
love with
that.
his sister or something.
Yeah.
I think this is
So
the
I'll tell you guys the plot after this, but if you guys can guess it.
Actually, no, I don't know this song.
No, not at all. Anything?
I know the so many.
उसे कहना भी होगा चुप रहना भी होगा उसे दर्द जुदाई यहाँ सहना भी होगा लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा Okay, I don't think you guys are getting it. I'll
Yeah.
go. I'll throw to the audience. Audience also does not have it. Wow, that is rare. That is very rare. The answer, how it would have gone, is लाख झुकाए कोई वो ना झुकेगा हर दिल जो
Oh
प्यार
fuck! That was the name of the movie also.
Oh.
Yeah, हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा is the name of the movie.
जो प्यार करेगा
Well
Nice.
played.
Well done. Well done.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, cool. That was fun. So nobody gets points there.
Zero.
You get it. You get
Yeah.
it. Next one.
Yeah.
Buzzers at the ready again.
Sorry,
on
it's
screen.
not here.
Yeah, it's not. It's all
Sorry,
good.
it's not what?
It's not on the
वहाँ
screen.
देख रही थी ना.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Sure,
Sorry,
sure.
yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Okay, let's go. The lyrics of the this next song are as follows. ओ हो जब से हुई है तुमसे शरारत तब से गया है चैनो करार. Yes. Yes.
Savarya.
No.
No. Savarya. Okay, wait.
No, but see, now you already guessed. I cannot, in good conscience, let you continue. You already guessed.
But
So
I
now-
know the
You are
song.
right, but you guessed it wrong. You know. So now Ursita still has a chance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna continue reading, but you can't guess till the hint round.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, hey,
Yes.
जब से तेरे नैना.
जब से तेरे
Oh
नैना
fuck, yeah.
मेरे नैनों से
5 points. Woohoo! Yay.
Shut up, okay.
What do you guys think of this film, Savarya?
Savarya.
Ha 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 ha.
So I love the intention, but execution.
Yeah, the intention was to launch to Star Kids. You
No, but I didn't like it.
didn't like it? Yeah,
no.
fair man. I don't think.
I think the story. I think if the story was actually in the real world, it would have worked. But the whole made up world didn't help it. It was a very simple story of a guy falling in love with a girl and she's getting married off to someone else, and then there is he goes to like it's Devdas basically.
Yeah.
No,
or
it's not.
it's
He goes
the-
to a prostitute, no?
No, he doesn't. So he doesn't want sex from her, the prostitute. Right?
हाँ.
कोई romantic angle है ही नहीं.
But he
Rani
goes
Mukherjee.
sadly to a prostitute.
No, he doesn't go sadly to her. He basically, the movie starts off with Ranbir Kapoor trying to find a house, and then he finds a house at Rani Mukherjee's brothel or whatever you can call it.
But she's like
Oh.
kind of the advisor in his life, sort
Yeah,
of,
yeah.
right?
So, but not like
I'm not
Devdas,
saying
yeah.
I'm not saying कि exactly. मैं कह रही हूँ archetypes sort of similar.
नहीं.
Character archetypes.
नहीं.
अरे character archetypes
She
similar.
can have an opinion.
Yeah.
But I'm saying गलत है opinion ये.
अच्छा,
How
okay.
can an opinion be
But this is
wrong?
not opinion ना. This is like you're guessing the wrong thing. So
sure.
yeah.
This is
But
like
this
fridged
is-
woman.
Fridged woman.
ये पहले इसने बोला था उसको पता नहीं है क्या फिर मुझे
Basically,
correct कर रही है.
Urjita is
नहीं,
making
नहीं,
Devanshi
but-
into a fridged woman on this episode.
Yeah, she's just using me
Everything.
as a plot.
You're wrong. Fuck you. कुछ पता ही नहीं इसको यार. What is this?
No, but I'm saying my point was that if this story was just in the normal
Fair,
real
it
world,
could have worked anywhere.
It would have worked.
It's just a story about the same
blue,
thing.
It was so
Sure.
blue and
Yeah,
it was,
black and Panori.
yeah, it was not that lighting. That setting was not needed.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Totally fair. That was 5 points for Urjita. Next one. Buzz was at the ready again. This is very
Yes.
fun. Let's go. You guys are doing very well, by the way. It's pretty cool. This one might be slightly difficult, but let's see if you guys get it. Okay.
Yeah.
The easy ones we are. Also we are finding difficult.
Let's see.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
The lyrics of this song are as follows. चिकनी चिकनी नई नई नोटों की चमड़ी चिकनी टिकनी टिकनी दुनिया है इनके दम पे बिकनी दिल है नरम तो खाएगा जख्म तेरा लॉस्ट किसी और का फाउंड
Buzz. Meter down, 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 down. A meter down.
nice. Very good.
That is so cool. Very well done, man. Did you guys get it immediately?
Not immediately.
Damn cool, Devanshi. Super awesome.
Nice, that's
I love this song. I love this movie.
Yeah, this movie was so good,
fun,
so
dude.
fresh.
So fun. Yeah.
Oh man, and it's so it's the frustration is so real in this movie. Like
Correct.
the more he doesn't give John Abraham what
The
he
key.
wants,
Yeah.
it's just like, dude, why are you taking it so far? It's
So how
good.
this part of the song goes is चिकनी चिकनी नए नए नोटों की चमड़ी चिकनी
बिकनी बिकनी दुनिया है इनके दम पे बिकनी.
You know what is the most frustrating part about this game is that while you're reading the lyrics also, I can मुझे पता है next lyric क्या है, but मुझे वो गाना याद नहीं आता.
Get it?
Like,
Okay, fair.
तो lost किसी और का found. I knew lost किसी और का found, but I was like, what song is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Sure.
The same thing happened with Jab Se Tere Naina. I Savarya just came into my head, but it wasn't the song.
Yeah, but fair. I get it. So my fiance is insanely good at this. Literally, somehow I will like test some of the games with her or like test some of the questions with her, right? And always in this songs wala game, she will always get it within like the first 5 words.
Oh wow.
Very often in the first 2 words and all. And I'm like always just flabbergasted how she does
Because
it.
she's so good at it, we have to deal with the tough questions. If only
Yeah,
she
yeah.
was bad, and
Only
you would
she
be
was.
getting, guys, guess the song, Dhoom Dhoom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one
Yeah.
is a classic song.
Yeah.
By classic I mean
Old.
You know, like 70s and all.
Oh.
Okay, so like classic. If you want, I'll give you the exact year also when the song came out. So just so
We don't want.
but audience,
Yeah,
you know,
but give the audience the exact.
yeah. Okay, this song was from the year 1968, so 60s even, not even this thing. This is like a very classic song that we still listen to this day. I'm sure you both are also fans of this song, and definitely our parents are, and we've heard this all our lives, all of us. Okay, so let's see. This I'm trying to capture like a more mature audience from this show. So who knows? Maybe you guys will get it. Now the thing is, this song is, like those songs used to be very long back in the day, okay, right? So they sometimes have 3 verses even, and not even just 2. So I will read the second verse, okay? Agar second verse nahi hai, I'll give you one further and give you the third verse also, okay? Because again, I really want you guys to get this song. So let's see, okay?
Yeah,
So again, buzzers at the ready, keep your buzzers ready.
Yeah.
Okay? This is how it goes. 2 बदन एक दिल एक जान हो गए मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफ़र बन गए 2 बदन एक दिल एक जान हो गए मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफ़र बन गए
आजकल तेरे
Nice.
That is awesome, dude.
Yeah.
That is so nice, Urjita. That is fucking awesome. 5 points, Urjita.
The moment
Full
he said
five.
no, दो बदन एक दिल, I
Yeah.
sang and I
2 बदन
एक दिल एक जान बन गए
मंजिलें एक हुई हम सफ़र बन गए मंजिलें
एक हुई, हम सफर बन गए, आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, अच्छा सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई तो क्या.
You know the beautiful part about this song is like
Yeah.
some of these songs they are so dependent on the tune that
Yeah.
मुझे ये lyrics बीच के पता भी नहीं थे,
Okay.
but I was like I tracked the music
Sure.
and then I immediately landed on the
Wow,
main
man,
title.
that's very cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
yeah.
Again, very impressive that
Yeah.
you got it in those
Yes.
lines. That's very cool. Okay,
5
we
marks
have
for me. Yeah.
we have 2 more songs in this, and then we'll call. We have one more game after this, so we should get to it in quick time. Okay. Let's go. This one is, I think, quite simple. So let's see if you guys get it. Keep your buzzers ready again. Gul badan dun dun, deal dun dun dun.
Hey.
एक second.
Hey, गंदी बात.
Epic.
That's
murdering
crazy.
this.
Yeah.
Urita's murdering, dude. Nice.
Gandhi.
Gul badan dun dun, deal dun dun
Oh
dun.
wow, I
One,
would have
two, one,
never
one,
got it
one,
on
ho gaya.
On dun dun
क्या
dun.
क्या क्या कहले ना 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 1 2 1 1 हो गया.
ABCD कर ली बात.
नहीं दिखने में थी तू कड़क ठंडी बातें कर ली बात. Something whatever goes there. चलो ठीक है 5 more for Ruchita, that is ठीक है. And the last song in this game is again as follows. I love this song, so I hope you guys are able to get it. Let's see. Okay. हो जाए जीवन में अब चाहे जो भी, दुल्हा बनूंगा मैं दुल्हन तू होगी. राधे श्याम के जैसे है जोड़ी, सॉरी राधे श्याम के जैसी है जोड़ी, तोड़े से भी जाएगी ना ये तोड़ी. मंदिर ले जाऊंगा मैं, पूजा कराऊंगा मैं. यस क्विक
मंदिर ले जाऊंगा मैं, पूजा
मुझसे
कराऊंगा. But
शादी करो.
See, she had buzzed in and you did
Yeah.
not buzz in. So now I'm in a dilemma.
No.
Now I'm in a
but
dilemma.
I was answering
Yeah,
the question.
so the thing is, had you buzzed
I
in,
sang the song.
So now I don't know
get
what to
the-
do.
No,
Now I
I
don't know
should
what
get
to
the
do.
point because I was
But she
always
got it.
there.
Difficult question.
No,
Please,
no,
please
no,
for
no,
this
no,
one.
no,
I
no, no,
forgot.
no.
Yeah.
It's just not fair.
See,
Once
see,
again.
I have to give you guys 2.5 because Urjita did get the answer, but
But I was
Devanshi had
getting,
buzzed in.
but I was
But you
getting
did not
this-
get the right answer.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course, this is my process.
I know, I get
sing
it.
to the
I get
last.
it.
Can we
I would
cancel
have
this
gotten.
question?
Man,
No,
No, we can't cancel.
Once again, I should get the entire
I think
marks.
2.5 will have to go. That's blame Urjita. It's her fault.
I
So
mean-
it's cool. It's cool. It happens, dude. People get excited. That's point of the game. Okay.
Yeah.
So very cool.
But,
That's fine.
okay, fine.
2.5.
It's your game.
Can
Okay,
we-
both
But
of them
I
get
think
2.5.
it's unfair.
Both
I should get all
2.5,
points.
yeah.
What are you gonna do, man? Okay, chalo, ठीक है done. We are all done with this game also. Very cool, very
Yeah.
cool. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 3. Oh, Urjita, I think this was your
Yeah, fucking
your round.
what
dude.
a round,
what a
man.
game this one was. So cool. Let's see where we stand. But ठीक है, let them take their time. It's all good. Yeah. Maths make your time look bad. Let's see.
The audience is at 15.
Okay, sorry guys.
This
sorry,
is not your round.
sorry guys.
Didn't get any questions.
Yeah, they did not get it.
Devanshi is at 25.
25, okay.
Rita is at 45.
What?
45. That was your
Wow.
game,
That's
dude.
crazy.
That was your game.
Okay, so then the next round, all questions should be 10 points.
So the next game is, you're right. All questions, all answers are for 10 points.
Oh, wow, crazy.
Okay. How this next game is called Bolly Jasoos.
Oh.
Okay. How this works is, I have a movie in my head. Okay. You guys have a combined 11 questions, 11 yes or no questions to ask me to determine what the movie is. 11 combined questions, okay? Like individually you don't have 11, combined you have 11. So it is encouraged that you discuss and then ask me the questions to narrow down what the movie
So
is.
basically just
But
के final question पे answer मिलता है. That person gets the point.
exactly. See, you're a team till you answer. What that means is, whoever finally says the correct answer takes all the remaining points in the game. Okay?
इसके
I say
5
remaining points.
इसके 5 point होने चाहिए. मुझे डर लग रहा है.
I say remaining points because each more question that you ask me
Acha,
minus
less.
is 1 point that you can win in this game. Okay?
okay.
So if the first question pay, it's 10 points, then 9 from the next one, and 8 and 7 and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
All right?
Okay.
The best way to understand these games is just by playing them. So how this works is, first there are categories for you guys to choose from. That is a category in which you'll be guessing the movie. You'll be asking questions about a movie in that category. So you understand that that's a jumping off point and you know where to think in what regard. So discuss please, which of these categories would you like to play in? Jao Dena Sahib,
Movies with
this is movies with cops or cop movies. Ye kahan aa gaye hum? These are travel films. Option 3 is movies with stand-up comedians, movies that feature at least one Indian stand-up comedian. अरे तू फिर से movies with double roles and कितने आदमी थे, movies where multiple guys are after one woman's affections.
You want to go with movies with stand-up comedians because they are far and few. in
तीन ही
between.
चार ही है,
Yeah. So in stand-up comedians, are you also including the likes of Johnny Lever and all?
You'll have to ask me that as a question in the thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
That would be tricky because if he's counting Johnny Lever, then that's a lot of movies. So yeah. So that makes
Choose a category. Choose a category.
What about travel films?
travel films. Yeah, actually they are also.
Yeah.
fine. Let's go with travel films.
We'll go with travel films.
Travel films.
All right, travel films. You guys are choosing a movie which has travel in it as
theme.
somewhat of a plot point. It may not be the main plot point. It may be the main plot point. Whatever you want it to be, you have to ask me that as a question. Okay. ये कहाँ आ गए हम is the category. I will tell you before you start. This movie released in the 2000s. What that means is between 2000 and 2010.
Okay.
Okay. That's the decade release in 2000s में. And it is rated.
So, Carvan or Pico out of the question.
Who knows?
Sorry, it's released in 2000.
2000s में release हुई है.
Okay.
2000 2010 के बीच में. And it is rated 8.4 on IMDb. So it's you know what caliber of film you're thinking of. All right. So you know travel film. 2000s release and 8.4 on IMDb. You have 5 minutes to ask me 11 questions in.
Oh.
Okay, so let's go. I am starting your timer.
Oh, 5 minutes. There's a timer now. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, ask me yes or no questions. Please go ahead. Discuss. I would please advise you guys to discuss. Also, how the audience gets involved is after the 5th question, you can discuss with the audience also. Why the 5th question is because say one day we have 30 people in the audience. Hopefully, who knows, right?
Timer abhi chalu mat kar while you're giving the
Okay,
instructions.
yeah.
Fine, good one. So what if there are 30 people in the audience? You know, one of them will easily know the answer, so we don't want it to be that obvious. So that's why from the 5th question onwards, the audience also gets involved.
8.4.
All right, timer has started. Yes.
Okay, so first question let's ask is travel the main point of the film or is it it's a yes or no question.
Yes
so,
or no question.
We can just ask films.
You can, but then you have only 11. It is more advised that you narrow down because
Okay.
how many travel films will you?
Okay, fine.
You know.
Yeah, we can ask main point है कि नहीं?
Yeah, main point पूछना है या do you wanna ask yeah, actually let's
Main
ask.
point, yeah.
Is travel the like the main part of the film like the or is it like okay ठीक है actually.
Yeah,
this is
just
one
ask
question.
this.
Is travel the main point of the film?
No, but it is a prominent part of the film. So I didn't exactly say that yes or no because this one requires a more elaborate answer.
Okay.
I'm quite lenient like that.
It's a what?
It's a very prominent part of the film, but
Prominent
not the main part of the film.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
It's a prominent part of the film.
All right. So that's one question done. Sorry. Yeah.
Do you want to ask 2000 to 2010?
You can ask about actors in the film. You can
Yeah,
ask
do you
about
wanna ask
actresses.
Who was the main lead?
That-
You don't have to
can't
ask.
ask that.
Wait. Yes or no question.
ये देखो गार्डन में आ गई है.
चलो सब पूछ लेते हैं. 1 second. 2000 शाहरुख खान पूछ ले.
हाँ पूछ
That will narrow it down.
पूछ ले.
या आमिर खान पूछ ले.
आमिर खान पूछ ले. आमिर खान.
Is Amir Khan in the movie?
Yes.
Okay. I want to answer.
No, quick.
Is
Whoever
it
asks-
Dil Chahta Hai? Is it the movie Dil Chahta Hai?
It is not Dil Chahta.
Oh, is it Raja Hindustani?
It is not Raja Hindustani.
Oh.
2000s. Come on. Raja Hindustani, not 2000s.
Amir Khan is in the film. It's not Raja Hindustani. It's not Dil Chahta Hai.
And travel is a part of it.
Yep.
Is a part of the movie.
Yeah. Because the 4 questions are done. You guys have about 3 minutes to ask me more questions.
Travel मतलब ये road है. I can't imagine Amir Khan on a road, in a train, aeroplane.
I'm also thinking कि is मतलब in this movie is it like Dil Chahta is the only movie जिसमें वो actually travel करते हैं गोवा जाके. Otherwise in all the other movies that he has done, he's just it's like he's going from A point to B point. How is the travel contributing to the
But
plot?
he said it's there in the.
It's a prominent
but
part.
It's not the main point.
Yeah.
Prominent part.
That's absolutely a prominent part. And you will agree when you listen to what the movie is.
Okay.
Anything? You have 2 minutes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just ask.
Just
then.
ask.
Yeah.
Travel and
2000s.
is it Mangal
travel.
Pandey?
It is not Mangal Pandey.
Okay.
Is it तारे ज़मीन पर?
It's not Tare
No,
Zameen
of
Par.
course not.
अरे dude वो अपने बाप
Yeah.
वो
Okay.
करने जाता
I mean,
है.
they do travel to a boarding school.
Yeah, I know he actually there's a whole sequence where he goes and finds the father.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Mangal जाता है राजा.
Come on.
What are the other Amir Khan movies?
Is it Rang De Basanti?
Not Rang De Basanti.
रंग दे बसंती में वैसे.
नहीं.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Now you can discuss with the audience.
Yeah,
There's 2 minutes
guys, what do you
questions
guys
back.
think?
We filtered out a few movies.
Oh, they filtered out.
Oh, what a-
They've been using that time
Yeah.
well. I like this.
2010.
हाँ.
I like this.
Eliminated based on yours.
Yeah.
Not a lot are left, but still like
3 Idiots हो सकता है, yeah.
3 Idiots, Lagan, Gajni are some of the movies. Which
Oh.
travel has to be. So the question.
Oh yeah. Is it Three Idiots?
It is 3 Idiots.
Yeah,
That's
it's Three
correct.
Idiots. Because he
Urjita so
goes
confident.
to look for.
So you,
yeah.
Devanshi, and the audience both get 4 points
yeah. Because he goes to find Funsuk. They
Exactly.
Go to
They go to find Amir Khan.
Fuck yeah.
Damn. Yes. Nice. So 4 points for you guys and Devanshi. All right. Cool. Very well done. Okay, you get it. Now let's see. We go back and we can go another category because we have some time.
I'm just going to waste her questions now. Waste her time. If I don't.
She's
know
such a sabotager of a contestant.
Okay, let's go. Next category. Let's do another one movie in this. Maybe we have time for 2 more, but at least 1 more. Let's go. What do you guys think? Which category would you like to choose in?
मूवी अरे तू नहीं कितने आदमी थे करे नॉट मेनी मूवीज आर लाइक दैट मल्टीपल मेन
You think
So multiple
love triangle
मतलब-
movies are less in Bollywood?
बहुत सारे
अच्छा
यार.
also love triangle
Yeah,
I
like
thought-
multiple
इसको
guys
लग
after
रहा है
one
बस
woman.
वही आवारा
Yeah,
पागल
yeah,
को.
yeah.
मुझे लगा मल्टीपल मतलब मोर देन 2
No, it can be
Multiple
2.
is
It can
1
be
plus.
1 plus, exactly. Multiple is 1 plus.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I want to try stand-up comics.
let's go
Yeah,
stand
let's
up.
do
Yeah.
movies.
Okay, movies with
stand-up
stand-up comedians. I will
Okay.
tell you before we start.
Yeah.
This movie was released in 2010s. Okay, between 2010 and 2020, that is. 6.1 on IMDb.
Oh.
And it has a stand-up comedian in it, an Indian stand-up comedian. in it.
2010s.
2010s, between 2010 and 2020. And 6.1 on IMDb. I will start your timer now.
6.1 है तो not a good rating.
Not a great rating, I would agree. But I think the movie is enjoyable. So it maybe should have gotten more than 6.1, in my opinion.
I just want to guess. Should
हाँ,
I
पूछ,
guess?
पूछ.
Is it Delhi Belly?
No, not Delhi.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe if you want a way to go would be ask who the stand-up comedian is in the film. Like, like ask me as a yes or no question. If you want.
Can you ask? ऐसे
No,
Delhi
you can
Belly?
ask, is this one in the film?
Achha,
Is that one in the
okay.
film? Like, you
Okay,
like that.
okay.
If you want, that is, if that's a route
But
you want
that's
to
as good as asking what the film is, no?
Urjita, let's not waste time
Sorry,
in
sorry,
this
sorry,
debate
sorry.
right now.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have only 5
Do you
minutes.
have any questions?
Yeah. I'm thinking. I want to just ask, does this movie have Rohan Joshi in it?
No, not Rohan Joshi.
Okay.
रोहन जोशी एक
How
movie
many
में
movies?
है.
That's
Yeah,
what I'm
that you
eliminating.
could
I'm
just ask.
eliminating.
Yeah.
Think of stand-up comics who are in multiple films and then maybe narrow them down if you want.
Okay.
Again, if you want. It's not.
Stand-up comics who are in multiple films. तो Johnny Lever ही है वो और या वीर दास.
Was it a super hit film? Was it a very good?
6.1 he's saying it's not a super.
But no,
film.
he never.
No, but
know
rating and
IMDb.
hit is a different thing.
Like, is
I'll
it
tell
like
you
a
how much it.
rewatchable film?
Once again, I have a question. Is this movie Go Goa Gone?
No, it's not. Go on.
Okay.
3 questions done. I will tell you how much it earned at the box office just so you know how big a hit it was. But you can please continue this thing because your time is still going on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This movie earned 53 crores in its box office and on a budget of, let's see. So you know how much of a hit it was. On a budget of 25 crores. So it
Okay.
earned double its money. Yeah, fair enough.
Like
It'll
a
be
very
hit-ish.
Madgaon Express type film, I'm guessing. Because Madgaon का भी similar था, even though I know it's not Madgaon because it came abhi right now.
Yeah, 2010s, no?
2010.
3 minutes left.
Yeah.
2010 के बाद मतलब.
Yeah. Like
Okay, I have
2010s onwards. 2010 onwards.
I just want to ask if
Ask.
is Veerdas in the movie?
Yes, he is.
Okay, is it Mastizade?
It's not Masti Dada.
Fuck, अभी 3-4 ही तो किए उसने.
बजट इतना कम है.
We can play now.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
now you can play.
Ask about Delhi Belly का was.
Delhi Belly
हो गया, हो
मैंने
गया,
मना
हो
किया.
गया, हाँ हो गया.
He Vedas has also done क्या super cool है हम.
नहीं, this is not
He
that.
has no क्या super cool है हम. क्या cool है हम कोई तो एक.
Is this movie Badmaash Company?
Yes, it's Badmaash Company. Wow! 6 points for Devanshi. Very cool. Very cool.
Very nice.
Yeah.
How did that come about? Wow.
I was narrowing down Veer Das's films.
Very
Only
cool.
one was left. बाकी
Yeah.
तो उसने सब यही किए थे. 4 ही तो किए थे उसने. 2010
Very
में.
well done. Very well done. One more, last one we need to
How
win
much
this.
did she get?
She got
6 points.
6 points. She got
Yeah.
at question 5. 6 points. Yes.
Nice.
Very cool. Very cool. Good sir. Let's go.
Question 5 तो 5 points हुए ना.
No. So basically, question 5 पे 6 points है because the
11
first question you
देना,
asked
11.
does not minus a point. The first question is 10 points.
अच्छा okay.
She's
cool.
calculating her points.
And the last thing we'll play on this episode is one more category. Please choose one quickly.
अब बता. अब हमने 2 तो कर
I
दिए.
think जाउदाना साहब करे.
जाउदाना साहब क्या है?
कॉप मूवी.
नहीं पकता है मेरे को कॉप.
अरे तू फिर से वुड बी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्योंकि मैंने इतने डबल रोल वाले
ठीक है कितना लेट्स डू ट्रायंगल्स नो.
दैट इज वेरी नैरो डाउन नहीं कर पाएंगे उसमें हम. Which is why I'm saying
I think
cop
कर पाओगे
movies.
by the way.
Yeah, I think it'll be fun.
ठीक है फाइन. कितने आदमी थे? I think it's
Cops?
cops. No,
ठीक
I
है
also
fine
think
cops.
Okay, audience also
If
saying cops.
audience also wants
Yeah.
to.
Okay, Zawdana Sahib is the category.
Yeah,
Movies with cops. This
Also,
is-
if you have watched my stand-up, you would know that's one of my punchlines. Zaudana Sahib Bhawa.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
Yeah.
I thought like one of
ये
my
अपने आप को flex करनी ही आई है.
if any,
She's
listen,
plugging it.
if
I have a
any-
podcast. I have stand up.
Listen. I gotta be my own promoter. If any Urjitians are watching this video, you would know what I'm talking about.
Urjitians, wow.
Yeah.
She's a Taylor Swift of Kalyan, guys.
Cool. Zawdana Sahib, movies with cops. I will tell you this movie that you guys will be guessing. This is a classic film released in the 70s.
Oh, babe.
Okay?
Okay.
Released in the 70s
Huh.
with a very prominent cop role. It's like it's one of those you always think of this film, you know?
Okay, okay.
So released in the 70s between 1970 and 1980, that is. 8 out of 10 on IMDb. 8 out of 10 on IMDb. So you know again the caliber of film you're looking at. It has a cop in it. Let's go.
Is
Yes.
this Diwar?
Wow.
I knew Diwar. Yeah.
Done. That was well
Yeah,
done,
yeah.
dude.
क्योंकि तूने prominent बोल दिया.
Yeah, prominent बोल तो दिया.
Prominent बोल दिया
But
तो
that's a
उससे
hint for
big,
everyone.
huge hint.
I knew
Equal
8
hint
out
for
of 10
everyone.
I
Diwar
was
को
just
मिला
going to
था.
let you finish, unlike Urjita, who was just like, yeah. But ठीक है, I knew
I add.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, cool.
10,
Well done.
yeah,
10
out
full
of 10.
10 points.
Can we do one more then? अभी उसने
can.
फट
That
फट बोल दिया
was
तो.
well done.
हाँ.
Now, I don't even have to go to the question
Yeah.
wala slides. All right, cool. Let's do one more.
Let's do your कितने आदमी थे then.
ठीक
you
है,
want to
let's go. Let's do
कितने
that.
आदमी थे?
कितने आदमी थे? Okay, this movie this is a film where multiple guys are after one woman's affections. It's rated 7.5 on IMDb, 7.5 out of 10, and it released in the 2000s, between 2000 to 2010.
7.5 and 2000s.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I will start your timer now. Yes.
Is it Avara Pagal Divana?
No.
Of course.
Whatever happened again? How crazy would that be? How crazy would that be?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay, is Shah Rukh Khan in the movie?
No.
Okay, that narrows.
Shah
it
Rukh
down.
Khan is not there in any such movie where multiple men are after a woman's
Of course,
affection.
he.
कुछ-
of
कुछ
course
होता
he-
है।
कुछ
कुछ होता है. Multiple men after one.
सलमान खान कहाँ है?
नहीं, but it's not. हाँ, okay, fine.
Even कल हो ना.
Oh, okay.
Even कल हो ना हो,
अच्छा,
correct?
okay, fine. Yeah.
And
for
also,
some reason I'm
He's
just thinking.
in even दिल तो पागल है by the way, but not in the 2000s.
दिल तो पागल है में multiple men are not.
अक्षय
after-
कुमार.
अच्छा, okay, but still like Shah Rukh Khan is in
Also,
the lead.
it can also
अरे,
be
तो-
two women.
तो
Yeah.
main alpha protagonist lead में ही होता है, but
ठीक है, okay.
ठीक है, चलो, let's
Okay,
go.
fine.
Next question. Yeah, 50 seconds are done. Quick, think out loud, please.
Multiple
I'm
men are
thinking
after-
भाई सलमान खान की कौन सी है, आमिर खान की कौन सी है.
Yeah, multiple men are after a woman.
But it could be Hrithik Roshan also. Multiple.
IMDb क्या बोला था इसका?
IMDb था इसका 7.5 out
कुछ
of
भी
10.
हो सकता है मतलब.
Yeah.
7.5 is like the most.
7, yeah. 7.
Any
So it's a hit
average.
only, I'm guessing. 7.5 मिला है तो. Multiple men. This is early 2000s, no?
Yeah.
So okay.
Okay, I'll ask. Is it more than 2 men after one woman?
No.
It's 2 men.
Oh, okay. That's a good narrow
Yeah.
down. Good question. 7.5. It does not have Shah Rukh Khan in it, no? Okay. Less than 2 Men does not have Shah Rukh Khan in it.
Two Men After One Woman 2000.
Does it have Akshay Kumar in it?
No.
Okay, that also narrows it down further. क्योंकि अक्षय कुमार के majority movies वैसे थे. It's not Akshay Kumar. Do you want to ask Salman Khan also?
सलमान खान भाई मैं सोच रही हूँ कि
पूछ ले. I think Salman
उसका भी
Khan
अक्षय
के
कुमार के साथ ही था वो.
नहीं सलमान खान के दूसरे भी movies थे with other actors. One of them his own brothers. 2 of them actually.
अरे वो हेलो ब्रदर.
Yeah. There's one more. But पूछना है सलमान खान.
वो सलमान खान in it.
No.
चलो ठीक है तो फिर कोई भी खान नहीं है भाई.
कोई भी खान नहीं है.
दो.
You
Now
could
the
ask that.
audience, yeah. You guys want to ask?
Like previously, a question has been: are any of the 3 major Khans in the film? So you're like already eliminating, you know. And then you
guys,
can narrow
लोग
it.
क्या
But
dumb
ठीक है.
है.
Yeah, that's fine. You learn, right? It's all good.
No, but he would have said yes to that. No, not the name of the Khan. जो
Yeah,
भी movie-
correct.
yeah.
I would have, but then
So
you
then-
know,
Then you, but if in this
If
case,
I say
like,
no,
it would have
Okay,
worked.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and you wouldn't waste more questions.
fair,
But
fair.
yeah.
now you guys can discuss with the
Yeah.
audience also.
Do you have any doubts? कोई कुछ सवाल पूछना है? Nothing.
कुछ भी है?
Any movie guesses? Do you think?
New York was one.
हाँ.
Apart from the car.
Rating क्या था IMDb?
7.5.
7.5.
7.5. Yeah. Okay.
न्यूयॉर्क पूछ सकते हैं.
You have 2 minutes, guys. Come on. hurry
पूछ
up.
सकते हैं न्यूयॉर्क. Why not?
You?
John Abraham and.
No, John Abraham is not in the film.
No, then. This is 2 people only, no? So
Yeah.
this is
दोस्ताना भी गया. अगर
Yeah.
John Abraham is not in the film, तो दोस्ताना
Yeah.
भी गया.
Akshay Kumar is also.
Gone. Yeah.
Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan.
Fuck. So basically, is this a niche film? 2 girls there also. 2 girls after one guy. Just
Yeah,
2
that's like
guys
2 multiple
after one
guys
girl.
after a woman. Come on, anything, guys?
Is that the major plot point of the film? That
Yeah.
2 men are after a woman?
Yes, it is.
It's not कल होना हो. It's not कुछ होता है. It's not कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Can you give us a hint?
Okay, sure. Okay, it is a little bit too much of a hint. Every single song from this film is a super hit song.
अरे वो.
Like every single song is listened to today in various scenarios. If someone is like falling in love with someone, they have one song in the film. If there's someone is broken up with someone, there's a song for that. Someone is this, someone is that. There's everything in this film.
Yeah. Doom 2 में nobody was.
Also
after
उसके
her.
सारे गाने famous नहीं हैं.
सारे गाने.
Yeah,
famous
sure.
थे,
Yeah.
हाँ. मतलब iconic song.
Like if a woman is falling in love, there's a song for that. A guy is falling in love, there's a song for that.
हाँ ये वो
Everything.
gangster हो सकती है शायद.
Is it gangster?
No, Gangster is not that famous. नहीं. हाँ.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Gangster तो नहीं. But gangster. But उसमें 2 are 2 guys behind 1 girl.
It is, but Gangster के गाने इतने iconic नहीं है. वो बस हम niche Twitter लोग के लिए iconic है.
Guys, quickly, you have.
रहमान होगा.
Time is up actually, but I'll give you one more.
Oh!
बोलो.
Is it रहना है तेरे दिल
Yes,
में?
it is.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Fuck! Wow.
4
Wait.
points. So now you get it.
Yeah.
Now you get it. Every single song is
It's
amazing.
one of
Every
my
single song is
favorite
like-
films. It
And
would have
you
been a
took you
shame.
long enough.
yeah,
But
yeah.
उसको 7.5 है IMDb पे. Dude,
Yeah.
बहुत कम है.
I would say fair.
Yeah.
But also
You
if you,
would say fair.
if you,
The movie
if you
hasn't
watch
aged.
it,
The
movie, okay, yeah.
yeah, exactly.
The movie hasn't aged well.
Exactly,
So
it's not
yeah,
aged well
fine.
either,
Because
right?
also
Yeah.
that
Also,
whole
everything
that whole,
Maddie does
yeah,
is very
yeah,
problematic.
it's so stupid. It's so
Yeah.
stupid,
It's
man.
one of those films where it's also one of those films where this is the only film that hasn't aged well but is still in my favorites
Oh,
list.
dude, you know, one producer had
So how
called
much
me.
do I get?
4
now?
points. She gets 4 points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One producer had called me and they had told me that they want to adapt Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein in today's times.
Oh.
And I had thought of it and I had written a story and I was like, this is impossible.
Okay.
Because we have Instagram right now.
That's
like
true, yeah.
immediately you know this person. Like the only way I could have adapted it was ki this
Same name.
Same name. This person is not on Instagram and that person is.
Yeah.
Only then will
that's
it
the only way.
Only
that's true.
will it
That's
work? Otherwise, that whole identity thing is gone now.
That's true,
like
man.
the
Yeah, you're
lot
only
of
right.
times, जैसे अब वो रब ने बना दी जोड़ी also. Like it's such a leap of faith that they do. वो तो
That's
अब-
true. Like the
yeah.
the mustache thing, though.
Yeah, mustache.
Superman.
What a trope. I also like the way Aditya Chopra tells that story in that Netflix documentary.
Oh,
where he
Romantics.
talks about, they're romantics. He talks about how he went away for 15 days and he was like, I had to save the company. I have to
Yeah,
write this film.
wow, this
And the
guy
film
was-
he wrote was Rab ne bana di jodi.
Dude,
Very bada
I know.
mustache.
Correct. Wow. No wonder it took you just 15 days to come up with it.
What a
That's what you come up with in 15 days. That was a 14th day shot. They
Exactly.
thought. And you were, yeah, I've not thought of anything. What do I do?
And the way of course he got high and wrote
Yeah.
this.
Dude, one of my favorite things about the documentary, is there's this whole Uday Chopra, quite likable even in that documentary, even, right? Because that's how they framed him in that thing. And so they make it seem like, Uday Chopra is started his own thing. Okay, he's doing like these amazing things outside in the international world, international film markets and all that. And what is he doing? It's Yash Raj International.
Dude,
It's the
also that
same
is,
fucking
it's
thing.
fully failing.
Yeah. It is really? Is it really?
It's really failing.
Yash Raj is failing.
because he tried to make this movie with Charlize Theron. Charlize
Theron.
Charlize Theron. Yeah, it was her biggest flop.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah, there is a movie he tried to make, and I was really excited for it. And
So box
just,
office impossible.
just oh god, that poor guy. It's just I feel like he's just going through a whole bad luck phase through his life.
Fair.
Uday Chopra is like the unemployed housewife to a very rich Yash Chopra. Yash Chopra production house जिसके failed businesses की वजह से losses ही होते जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
He's the Rani Mukherjee Aditya Chopra never
Like
had.
imagine how irritating he was in India. They're like, तू जा तेरे लिए vertical
Yeah,
खड़ा
yeah.
करेंगे.
Correct.
उधर ही कर तू.
कुछ तो कर भाई. कुछ तो करते हैं.
Although he was a really good character actor. He
Dude,
should
I
have
agree.
stuck
Like,
to that.
Yeah.
Dude, I actually, I don't know if this is a popular or unpopular opinion, but in Dhoom 1,
Yeah.
he stood out
He's
more
so
to
good,
me.
yeah.
He stood out more than even John Abraham. John
Yeah.
Abraham just had to look serious,
Yeah,
act tough.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
Uday Chopra's comic timing in both the films.
It's so
Not bad
good,
at all.
so
Quite good.
So
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Doom
yeah.
3 also he was good.
Akkam
Yeah.
mein world famous. All these
Yeah,
famous
yeah,
lines.
I
dude.
not talk to you. No
Yes.
talk. I
No,
I
yes, yes,
mentioned
yes.
this before
Correct.
also.
Yeah.
Also like the fact that he's such a sober, accented guy.
Yeah.
And like he fully switched.
That for
Yeah.
Tapori
it's
language.
it's really it's commendable, but he just didn't stick to that for some reason.
So that's
They
it,
were
right?
really
Like they tried to really pivot him into becoming a lead actor. This thing that's a stretch, man. People will accept or not
Also,
accept.
in
But
that-
character actor तो कोई भी कर ले यार.
Yeah,
Nobody questions कि character actor कैसे बना दिया इसको.
Exactly.
करो ना.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
And he would, I think, अगर वो कैरेक्टर एक्टर करता गया होता ना, अभी तक वो लीड पे आ गया होता.
Yeah, that's also very possible.
Because
exactly.
right
you
now
build a
is the
resume through that.
time
Yeah.
where all
Character
the
actors are shining.
Yeah, they're shining like Manoj Bajpayee and all. They're getting proper meaty roles to
Absolutely.
do.
And also
Very
the
true.
very fact that if Rajkumar Rao was in the early 2000s, तभी आया होता तो he would have been stuck doing character actor
Exactly,
roles.
yeah,
But the very fact Rajkumar
yeah.
Rao, Apar
True.
Shakti Khurana, Ayushmann
Yeah.
Khurrana, these guys they got their own time to shine.
Yeah.
I think Uday Chopra would have also gotten something.
Very easily. Dude, if you have the biggest studio backing you, how
Yeah.
could he not, man?
Yeah.
He could have
like
stuck to it.
every era. This again I saw in one Javed Akhtar very old interview
Okay.
where how he came up with the angry young man.
Oh,
And
yeah?
every era he said has a protagonist.
Yeah.
So the angry young man was a time where India had just gotten independence.
Correct.
And they did not. We had so much anger because we were so poor suddenly.
It
we were
was
a very
so.
rich
Is
country.
this the one you're talking about where he says that the angry young man was not actually angry. He's actually sad
Yeah.
and distraught about his circumstances. Is this the one you're talking about?
Yeah. Basically, it's very old. उसमें
Yeah.
light, उस interview में light भी चली जाती है. Like Javed Akhtar himself is in his 30s.
Oh, okay.
And he has just.
Oh, that, no.
Yeah, it's very, very
Oh,
old.
wow,
Yeah. And it's so funny because.
How old are you, Devanshi?
No, I found
know,
it
of course.
online.
He also said the same thing in the We Are Yuva Ka new podcast. Be a man, yaar. The same
Oh, correct.
guy.
Be a man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nikhil Daneza,
Sorry,
yeah.
continue.
But yeah, he said Angry Young Man was that era
Yeah.
where Indians were just free they didn't know what to do with themselves, and we were very poor suddenly because the British had taken everything. So if there was a lot of crime, that's
Sure.
why there was a lot of anger in Indians.
Angst,
So that's
yeah.
why that protagonist work. But once the angry young man time was over and Shah Rukh Khan had begun, so people were done with
post
that.
What? Angry Young Man
liberalization.
went on all the way till Shah Rukh's
Yeah,
time.
till I'm saying if you'll see the major
Yeah, but you're right.
protagonists.
Even Sunny Deol played the angry young man thing only. Ajay Devgn played the angry young
If
man
I-
thing only.
I'm not saying Amitabh
Everyone did.
Bachchan.
Post
Yeah, I get it.
1991
Yeah.
liberalization ke baad.
That's true.
Yeah.
Everyone's
So
people are
we
happier.
we were done
Lover
with,
Boys romantic film became the thing. Yeah.
Not Lover Boys. The protagonist change.
Yeah.
The
Protagonist
protagonist
changed, okay.
changes when so suddenly now what happened is the globalization came in. Women started earning money.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
women
Yeah.
wanted to watch movies and wanted protagonists that they liked.
Sure.
So that's where the sensitive lover came in.
Oh.
Which is not just Shah Rukh Khan. It's also
Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan.
Oh, Hrithik
It's
Roshan.
also
Amir,
Amir Khan.
sure, yeah.
It's
Salman.
also like
Saif Ali Khan.
Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah.
That
Even
respect.
Salman in his films.
Yeah.
In his films.
Yeah. So, like, if you've seen The Angry Man, very casually they're hitting women.
Sure. Yeah.
Like, very
Yeah,
casually,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like कि हाँ ये मारता है या बहुत background में चलता रहता है या the women is, but suddenly, and this is Yash Chopra caught. Because he made Dil To Pagal Hai.
He did, yeah,
And he made also DDLJ,
DDLJ,
basically.
like
Yeah.
his sons,
So
yeah.
he made a very sensitive, feminist sort of a feminist lover, sort of. Like, who wants to please the woman, not a woman who wants to please the guy.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So that changed. And now is the era of the aware guy.
Or the woke guy.
The woke guy who knows
Oh.
कि casteism गलत है, ये गलत है.
I thought now is the era of the alpha guy.
I think,
Extremely
yeah,
वो
alpha.
that also.
वो change हो रहा है. I'm
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
आयुष्मान खुराना अब like you're right. अभी जो last
The alpha
because
guy
of-
is. He knows what is woke and he's acting against it on
Yeah,
purpose.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
actually.
But that's
breaking
Arjun.
the mold.
Obviously Arjun Reddy.
Arjun Reddy, Animal, हाँ वही.
Animal.
Same.
But
हाँ, वही.
but I'm saying before Animal, we were in the woke phase.
That's great. It's actually yeah, very good analysis.
And
Very
and
cool.
now we're going 10. That's when Javed Akhtar again he did one interview. I don't know if you guys have seen it, where he talks about that this protagonist is harmful for society.
Yeah.
The current
Because
one.
when they came up with Angry Young Man also, he was not angry against society. He was angry for society.
Man, that's again. So Javed Akhtar, if he says something, you take that with a little more weight, of course.
Yeah.
But the thing is about how much do films influence and do they actually change thinking? You know, all that.
They do.
Like
It's
you know,
not
see in
about
the sense.
change.
If not influence, they reflect.
Yeah, they reflect.
They
Also, they
definitely
normalize.
reflect.
That's
They
the
do
issue.
normalize.
So
That is true. Fair.
that's the issue.
Yeah.
Like also the way Animal, it's just the lens. Okay, if
That
you
is
see the lens of Animal, it's so larger than life
Yeah,
that
हाँ.
it's scary.
Man, the thing is, no, with Animal, I actually, except for the parts where Rashmika Mandana's character is involved and this guy is being super misogynist to her, I felt other than that, Ranbir was excellent in the film, like acting wise. If you just go acting performance, see,
Yeah.
whatever the director gets him to do, that's on the director, right? Story director ने लिखी है तो लिखी है.
Yeah.
But as an actor, I don't think you can fault him as an actor, for
Yeah,
that.
he sounds like a guy written by a 12-year-old stupid boy.
Exactly. The
So he
problem
plays-
is it's not
Sure.
responsible
Sure.
filmmaking.
Yeah.
And it's not responsible filmmaking on
Also,
all parts.
it's a 13-year-old.
But again, responsible or not, he absolutely has the right to make it. All right.
We are not saying that
yeah, yeah.
we are. See,
There's nothing-
if
yeah.
he has the right to make it, we have the right to criticize.
Absolutely,
it.
absolutely, yeah, correct.
So for
Yeah, yeah.
us, I mean, in just purely analysis
As
based,
a
Yeah, yeah, I
film,
get it.
also, it is very bad.
Very,
yeah,
very
it is
bad.
So flawed.
Yeah.
It is so flawed.
Flawed. In general, as a story, also, it's bad. Like, I didn't.
Dude,
so, like,
that
there
whole
are
part
some-
about why he cheats on the woman
Yeah,
is
so
no,
dumb.
doesn't make
अगर
any
तुम
sense.
मुझे
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
100 लोगों को मारने के लिए
So,
माफ
you
कर
know, like
सकती हो.
Kabir Singh,
What the
Kabir
fuck?
Singh as a story, even though like it was flawed, but then still as a movie, I still accepted it as in कि entertaining तो है.
Oh, I to hated
some
Kabir
level.
Singh.
I have
Even
not
more than
watched
Animal.
It is
didn't
better
watch
than Animal, I felt.
Oh, yeah, I completely felt the opposite. But what do I know, man?
But
Very good.
Animal, one major flaw. My issue was that it could have been a very nice as in a well-made
Father-dad drama. Sorry,
action
son-dad
film.
drama, yeah.
Son-dad drama.
Yeah.
It didn't need the misogyny.
Sure.
Like there was no need for those comments. There was just the director going "fuck you" to the critics.
He was. He
Yeah.
absolutely was.
He
Even
was
though
being a
he loves
dick.
denying it.
Yeah.
But he absolutely was. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that was just it was kind of like it's kind of like a comic going on stage and bitching about other comedians.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, that makes sense.
You know, which is not comedy really. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
not filmmaking.
Yeah.
Sure, fair enough. But enough discussion about Animal.
Yeah. That
let's
is another podcast.
Yeah.
Let's see where we stand at the end
Urjita is one
of
with
this
Diwar.
episode. The scores
Is that your
are
PAN
in.
card?
Sorry?
What is on the sheet?
Oh, this is someone's like
Passport.
license or passport.
Wow.
Oh, this is a bank checkbook.
Wow.
State bank statement thing.
Wow.
I just found it outside a piece of
I
paper.
don't think the art scores are the most important thing on this paper.
but you can't even read the name, so I think it's fine.
It's
the printing
fine,
is
yeah. Hmm.
very badly printed. All right,
Scores.
let's go. The audience comes in third with 19 points, with a respectable 19 points. Very
Woo,
cool.
woo, woo,
We're going to
woo,
play very less this
woo,
episode.
woo,
Very
woo.
nice. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Coming in at number 2, in second place with 35 points is Devanshi Shah.
Thank you.
Very nicely done.
Yes.
Very nicely done. And
First is who?
being crowned the biggest Bollywood Begum with 59 points. The one, the only, Urjita Ware.
Another landslide victory for me, might I add.
Once again, are you going to like put your photo in this?
I mean, so basically it's supposed to be a cutout, but for the last 10 weeks,
No one
or
has put
5 weeks, 5 weeks, I've basically been making it into a joke that I didn't have time to do a cutout. So let's continue
Wow,
with
it's
that.
been 5 weeks.
Yeah, it's been
already.
5 weeks. It's been 5 weeks. Let's go with that. But well done, Urjita. That was awesome. Very well played. You definitely dominated. That songs round was yours. That was
Yeah.
amazing.
And
the way you
Diwar
did
was
it.
crazy.
And Diwar was insane,
Yeah.
dude. Like, how is that the first movie you think of?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Have you discussed Diwar on? Oh,
no
shit!
wonder.
All right, cool. Acceptance speech, Urjita, for winning this prestigious award.
Man, every time I win this game, I am equally dumbfounded how I did it. And this time तो like जिनके answers मैंने वो movies भी नहीं देखे थे. So
Yeah,
that was
that's
very
fair.
surprising.
Fair enough.
That simply by the plot description, how was I able to guess the
That
answers.
is impressive also.
Yeah. The
Absolutely.
first round, none of the movies I had watched.
That's
none.
crazy. That's
none
crazy.
of them. But
Yeah.
still, yeah, I'm really happy to receive this gift, this award. And man, yeah, you know what? I'm the biggest Bollywood divana. I just want to say the
Begum,
biggest
Begum.
Bollywood
Begum,
Bollywood
Begum.
Bollywood Begum. Yes,
Yeah.
Bollywood divana दूसरे game का.
Yeah, that's some other show. We don't
Some
know.
other
Yes,
show. We
yes,
don't know which
Bollywood.
one. But yeah,
Uh,
thank you so much, man. Antariksha,
Very cool. Very
and,
cool.
always
Devanshi, any
enjoy.
parting words?
Yeah, I just want to say Diwar was the film where the angry young man was born.
It was born through
Yeah.
that. That was the
Yeah,
first one.
It was
and
the
and
first
your
one.
score sheet died.
That's Diwar.
What a sportsman she is, man.
Yeah.
What a good
Yeah, yeah.
person to play a game.
Do you see Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli be like, hey, fuck you guys,
क्या बच्ची है यार मैंने तो जीतने दिया है इसको by the way.
अच्छा ये देखो
I
यार
was like बच्ची समझ के जीतने देते हैं घर का कट आउट ले जाएगी अच्छा लगेगा इसको.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Anything to plug? Anything coming up, guys? As usual, please follow.
I'm doing this try comedy tournament.
You've
which
started
is,
a comedy club. Can you talk about that?
Oh, yes,
like you
I've
changed venues. What are you talking about?
sorry. I have a video coming up where
Yes.
my mother is also doing stand up.
What?
Yes, in the end of the video. So
In
please-
that one video, or she's
in the
doing
video, in the video.
Oh, it's just-
she's flipping. Just watch it. She's doing it in the end.
Oh,
I'm doing
that's
like
awesome. Okay, I'm
17
very
minutes of
intrigued.
stand up. She's doing 3 minutes of stand up. So that's
Awesome.
one plug-in.
Okay.
I've started a comedy club called Khar Comedy Club.
Yes.
Which is in Khar.
Yeah.
And you can come and you follow the page and it's quite
Absolutely.
nice. And I'm also
Beautiful
doing
venue.
Beautiful
Absolutely.
venue, yeah.
Yeah.
It has chandeliers and all. That's
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. And if you guys are lucky, there might even be alcohol on that day.
Yeah.
If there's enough sale.
Or you can drink and come. Niche radio bar hai. So,
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
so
because-
you can have that. I have a web series out called Sisterhood.
Okay.
You guys must watch it. It's on Amazon Mini TV, and it's just I think it's been a couple of weeks since it's out. And I'm doing this try comedy tournament, which is a tournament across 9 weeks with 27 comics on the lineup.
Wow.
On each day, there are 3 comics doing 20 minutes. Each show, a comic wins, and then the winners compete against each other in the
Oh, wow.
semi-finals.
Okay.
And there are 3 winners in the
It's kind of
semi-finals.
like Last Comic Standing in a way, is it?
Is it? It's like
No,
a
it's
tournament.
a longer set, of course.
Yeah, it's
Last
a
Comic is very 5-minute sets and all.
Yeah, these are 20. It's a tournament. It's
Oh,
like
wow.
it's like any tournament
Sure,
basically.
sure.
So if they win the matches, there's a semi-final, and then there's a final where the last 3 winners play against each other.
Awesome,
So I'm
man.
hosting this at Emoji, which is in Juhu. So
Missed your jokes
I'm
and jokes.
also
Yeah.
a part of one of the lineups.
yeah, she's on the third show.
Okay.
So please come and watch her also.
Very
yeah,
cool.
I'm done with my.
Urjita,
part.
anything?
Yeah, you guys can follow me on Instagram @Urjita Vani, and it's Urjita Vani, not Tawani, not Urjit, not Urmila. Dude, this
Urmila
one
Vani.
guy, yeah, Urmila. People keep first of all, nobody gets my spelling right. Urjata,
Sure.
Rujita. Very
Okay.
confidently, people like Rujita was wrong. Very
Okay,
confidently,
okay.
people
Rujita.
comment.
I get it. I get it.
So then,
Yeah.
it's Urjita Vani, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and come for my live shows. I'm touring with my 1 hour right now. Or come for any of my lineup shows if you're in Mumbai. Love you. See you.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Also check out Has It Aged Well, her podcast.
Yes,
Yeah,
her
yeah, yeah.
podcast.
Also check
So
out
you already
my
plugged it in earlier in the episode. It's all
movie
good.
movie podcast has
absolutely
it aged
on
well.
theme with
Yeah.
this
Yes,
show.
yes.
So
Her
please,
resume for this show.
yeah,
is
sure.
that she's had
So
it.
I hope you've been enjoying all the episodes we've been putting out. Please follow me on Instagram @AntarikshT on Instagram. I am also hosting another podcast with Snehil and Abbas. Please check it out on the Filmy Colada channel. The show is called Pop Conversation. And I'm producing a couple of shows. One of them is hosted by Govind Menon and Hoshang Mani, two stand-up comedians. It's called Spender Bender. It's a podcast about bad spending. It's very interesting. Please check it out. The next guest is going to be Jose. So that'll be
Oh, wow.
very fun if you
Oh,
check that
nice,
out.
fun.
And I'm also producing Siddharth Dudeja and Shamik Chakrabarti's podcast,
Oh,
which
nice,
is the Crickheads podcast. So again, check that out also.
Nice.
And again, doing some other freelance stuff. But wo to chalta rahega. So all good. I'll
Okay.
see you again next week, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this episode. The audience, you guys are godsends.
Yeah.
And we are lifelong friends now, forever.
Yeah.
If you ever want to come back to the show, you don't even have to buy tickets. Just DM me, man, and just drop by. Okay, please come for live shows. There's nothing else like this. So absolutely, you'll have a great time. Yes, thank you. All right,
Okay,
bye bye. See you
bye.
guys. Ciao.
Thank you.
Bye.